What up, chat? It's not a music day, by the way. That was just a leak song. Like, in case you guys thought it was a music day. What's up? What time is it? 6:34. Okay, hold on. I gotta play music. Actually, I gotta play my own music day. My own music. Okay. Start with some chill copyright music. All right. Yo, I'm using earphones now, guys. I'm not using headsets no more because I realized that it makes me nauseous. And I think it's what gets me tired here. Honestly, like I shouldn't be getting tired speaking for 2 hours. Shouldn't be that, that much difference. But I tried gaming with these earphones as well. I play a lot better too. So I don't know, it might just been a headset. Also, doesn't mess up my hair. Good morning, Don. Looking forward to your stream every day. I appreciate everything you do for me in my trading. You're a man. What's up, David? How you doing? What are we doing? Ever heard Cursed by Travis Scott? No, not yet. Okay, hold on, guys. Let me actually go on. Change this quick thing up real quick. Or do my analysis. Trades called. I changed that. I take that down. That was on Friday. Okay. Focus today. We have news today. So today we have nothing. Cool. Perfect. I mean, we have minor news at 3 p.m. But no one's on trade at that time. We're not trading New York session at that time. By that time we're done. Yeah. Other than that, we have nothing. Just have GJ and gold here. So focus is gonna be GBP, JPY, and gold. I think it should be a decent day too. I saw a chart last night during Asian. Wasn't too bad. Gold came down. GG came down. Well, gold came. Yeah, it came down. Kinda. Slowly. I got that what? No Gohan here this morning. All right. So, first things first. Let's take a look at GJ or gold. Starting with the weekly time frame, what do we notice here? We have, or sorry, starting with the monthly time frame, what have we noticed here? So I talked about this monthly count earlier this month. I said how we closed above the most recent range on. Here, who's my guest? I gotta meet this real quick. So I said how we closed above this resistance last month, right? So if we're closing above that resistance, you have a very high chance this month that price is going to continue up towards the 1980 levels, right? Once it actually flips bullish after creating a bottom wick, as long as it respects these lows here, right? The reason why I'm saying that is because we closed above the range. We did with these counts looking left here, couldn't do it. This count tried to do it, couldn't do it. This count here, couldn't do it. This count here, couldn't do it. These are all wicks here that have rejected and now closed below this range here. So now that we actually have a closure above, all we need now is for this kind of flip bullish, and then we should be good towards 1980, right? That's the monthly target. Doesn't mean we're gonna push out today. Doesn't mean we're gonna push all this week. Doesn't mean we're gonna push, like who knows when we'll push, but we'll push throughout the month bullish, obviously. The weekly time from candle closed bearish, however, though, right? But here are my thoughts on that. The only way for us to really push up this week and to continue up, because we did close above the range last week, but we failed to actually stay above, and we actually came back and closed bearish below the support. So technically this week I would never normally say, yeah, I would expect price to continue down like this to fill that wick and fill that range, come down towards the support here. But with the monthly being heavily bullish, at any given point we can give us a starter play going up to the top of the range. Again, fuck, I'm not on TikTok right now. What am I on? It's fine. So I'm supposed to stream on TikTok too. So I believe once you break these highs here, you should be good to continue up towards this next resistance at 1960. I would probably hope for that to want that to happen, for me to get some clean buys going on later this week. But if we don't, and we start to create a top wick and we start to continue down, I wouldn't mind looking for sells as well. Thing is though, the daily time frame closed bullish. Now you guys are like, wait, the weekly's monthly's bullish, weekly's bearish, daily's bullish. Your buyers be all over the place, right? Obviously, the monthly and daily both being bullish, I'm looking for more buys today than I would be looking for sells this week. So for buys for me, it would probably be if we were to potentially break above, let's see, move you guys up here a little bit. I want to say above this resistance here, above 1894. Push up towards the next level of resistance, which is somewhere up here, I want to say. Put it right here. This range here is above this area is 100 pip range. Buys in this area aren't bad. They're not bad. I mean, thing is, like, traffic's not that clean here though, right? Because at any given point we can just come down all the way down towards this area right here, coming down towards 1870. The only reason why I'm skeptical about that is just because we're bullish on the daily time frame. So at any given point we can fake, price can come down, close below its range, and fake up, go back into range, continue back up. If someone asks you during the weekend, you're done, how do you avoid fakeouts? That's you avoid fakeouts. You go with the trend. You always follow the trend. You never go against the trend just because you see clean traffic going the other way, right? You never want to have a chart that says this: buys above here, sells below here, you know, above or below a range, because doing that, going against the trend, would lead you to a fake out, right? So that's why I'll probably stick to more buys today, but especially above 1894 for me. What else are we doing? So GJ in our hand, G looks like we are heavily bearish. We have closed bear, or sorry, some of the monthly time frame actually. So monthly time frame, same thing as gold, right? The monthly time frame closed bullish above this resistance here. So I do expect price to continue up towards the next level of resistance. Once you flip after creating a bottom wick here, who knows where that's going to be at. Again, as long as we respect these lows here, we should be able to flip bullish to continue up. I think the weekly is looking like it is bearish, however, though. So again, last week's candle has no top wick. I would expect price this week to continue up the monthly time frame to break those highs, which will also give us a starter play going up. If that's the case, I think daily in this case is also looking like it is. I think my target got tapped last night during Asian. I had a range marked up right here from that resistance to the support. Price came down, filled this mini range here. This is a range of 17 to 18 pips. Filled it, tapped it. I mean, right now it looks like price is starting to break below support. I remember a closure, price is breaking support. It's not really us breaking support. I preferably want a closure. But the thing is, this is a daily time frame, so you can't really wait for that to happen, because that's gonna be tonight at 10 p.m. That's gonna be tonight at 10 hours. So you can anticipate sells though if price were to break. So let's go down to a small time frame here. Did a 4 hour looks. 4 hour looks like it is closing below the range here. So you have like a minor support right here, and if you look left, next level of clean traffic would be technically here, right? Daily time frame is bearish, so it makes sense if price were to really drive down and break below here. So I'll say sells for me would probably be if we were to break, let's see, 1530. I want to say the support right here. Below here, coming down towards the next level of support, which is probably going to be right around here. This range here is a decent 38-40 pip range going down. If price were to break below a support there, this is technically clean traffic. Again though, I think a closure below 154.593 would be ideal here, because we have rejection level many times. We came down the 15-minute like 3 times, 1, 2, 3. The reason why I drew it on a 30-minute time frame, not the 15-minute time frame, is just because the 15 has closed below support, whereas 30-minute has never closed below support before. Came down, rejected, never closed below. So that would be ideal for sells to happen. Yeah, I think that's it. Do you plan to hold a swing trade on a monthly time frame? No, I just use the monthly as my overall idea for the whole month, but I don't really hold swing trades, or at least I don't do it anymore. Hold on. Here. And look at this trade. Guys, when you send charts, send it in the Discord group. Send it in the Discord group. Is music loud? Is it good? Goody? On YouTube? Goody? Okay. Cool. Go down hairline? My hairline? What about my hairline? My hairline's not receding, I can tell you that. Just I have a wide head. I can tell you it's not receding though. I can tell you that. At least not yet. I don't think it's gonna recede though. I don't know. I hope not. I pray. Guys, pray for me. Yeah, send it in the Discord group. Send it in the charts for stream section. I'll take a look at the charts there. If you haven't joined Discord yet, join the link in the description down below. Is the link the same? Okay, cool. It's the same. Yeah, join the Discord link in the bio. That's how you see your charts on this stream. Guys, who likes those videos on Friday and Saturday, or Saturday and Sunday? You guys like those videos? They're pretty fire. We're gonna have like basically new uploads every day. Basically every day. What am I doing here? Add this person to this thing. There it is. Join the Discord. Find this guy's name. Hold on, guys. Message the community. Other interested videos, they're fire, right? How you turn your bias for a day and use a weekly and monthly time frame, and in the daily time frame, obviously. So today, it's the same thing you do in a 50-minute time frame. All right. So let's say, for instance, instead of having your bias for a day, let's just say you have your bias for the month, right? If this right here was the someone GG actually. If this right here was the 15-minute time from here, what would you do? On a monthly time frame. If this was the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, and we have greater range here, right? We have greater range, and all of a sudden now we're closing bullish above the resistance. What would you expect now on the 15-minute time frame? You would take a buy, right? You would take a buy and you open up the candle, the last previous candle low, and TP will be up here because you expect price to continue up towards the next level of resistance. And again, candles are candles. So what's the difference if it's on the monthly time frame? Nothing. There's just more ranges, more pips, obviously. But same outcome you expect. You expect price to just continue up like this, fill the next resistance, and that's it. So if that's what I'm expecting on the monthly time frame, then I will look for buys that whole entire month, using the small time frame, 15-minute, 30-minute time. I'll look for the exact same thing. I'll look for closures above ranges on the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame ranges to push up towards that level, towards that 163 level for the month. I'm not swing trading. I'm not going to enter a buy, hold it for the whole entire month, and then exit. I'm just going to enter and then get out my next range, wherever that is, right? Thing is though, about this new monthly candle is that it hasn't flipped yet, so we can literally come down through here for all we know. 152. Who knows, right? Who knows? As long as you respect these lows though, you should be good. The reason why I'm saying these lows here is because that price would come down and break that low, and we'll probably continue down towards the next support somewhere down there. DD chart. 15-minute time frame. Buys above. Yeah. Was this gold 15? Not the same thing, right? Oh no, you had it on here. Oh, I didn't see these. I think I have my marker from the hourly. Yeah, let's see. How big is that range? Where's this? Right here. We have never closed above there. Eyes going up towards this lower right here would be an average of 40 pips. That's not bad. Definitely tradable. But yeah, the day time frame is bullish as well. So if you guys look at this, right, on the day time frame, I know we're bullish right now. We're obviously the current account is bearish, but the previous day account is bullish. Technically, we're bullish. So the lows are down here. Price opened up and it created a lower wick, or could potentially be a lower wick once it flips. Right? If you look left here, look at where we rejected. That level right there. There's like a minor support there that we have rejected off of. So if we're starting to reject now on a day time frame, and you know the previous day time frame is bullish as well, you would now expect or anticipate at least, or you could anticipate that price will start flipping to continue up for a day. So now if you drop down to a smaller time from 1530, you see that okay, this is how it looks on a smaller time frame. Price is just slowly rejecting that support to continue up towards the top of the range now. This would be your range. I believe once you close above 1887, you should be able to drive up towards the next level of resistance. Again, price already came up here 8 minutes ago or a couple minutes ago, and it rejected this resistance. I think you need a closure here. So something like this, preferably. And then you can execute on buys going up to fill this range. This range is a 40 pip range here. Decent range, not bad. You might not catch the whole range. You might catch, if anything, from here to here, which is like 20 to 25 pips. But overall, it's a very tradable range. Not bad.
Break of 1887 3/4 the 4-hour celery coming up.
Yes.
4 hours bearish right now. We break that via a 4-hour celery.
Let's just see. Yep. Perfect. Yep. I didn't see that. Honestly, didn't see this whole concept until Stefano. I mean, not Stefano. Decent that trading. I was looking at 1 hour time frame. I was like, okay, well, I think a buys above 1894 would be ideal. Also, guys, if you miss out on buys here, don't worry, because you have buys above 1894 as well. Senior buys too. This right here. All right, so you have this and you have that. I'll avoid this right here. I'll avoid that. I'll avoid this. I'll get my buys here. I'll get my buys here. And yeah, be chill. Also, going back to that question about Vindy, about buys for a day. If you watch the beginning of every single stream, I break down the daily buys for a day every single day before I start my trades or I take any trades. So watch the beginning of every stream, the first like 10-15 minutes. You should do shorts for winning trades. Good idea. Yeah, it's a good idea. Mr. JXTR, yo, what's up? All right, done. For gold, why not buy above 1886? 1887.381. Is market feel good? Does it feel different than pre-workout? I never took a pre-workout, but I'm pretty sure it tastes similar. I mean, it doesn't taste similar. It feels similar for sure. Use that little boost of energy. I gotta take one later actually. I'm like, I got leg day today. But guys, Bulgarian squats. No more leg, no more wall sits for 5 hours. Fuck. I'd rather do that any day, any given day. I'll do it all day. The whole workout, I'll do it. I actually like leg day now. As you said, GJ is bearish trend. Is it? What did I say? What did I say for GJ? Oh, I said yeah, sells below there. The daytime for is bearish trend. It's bouncing off that support though. Again, if you look at it from this perspective, like let's cover up this candle. We didn't close below the range yet. I said that earlier, right? We didn't close below the range yet. At any given point, we can still close within this range here. At any given point today. That's why I'm very skeptical about the sells. I'm very skeptical as the weekly time frame is, well, weekly time frame is also bearish as well. I think sells and close below wouldn't be bad, right? Because then we'll be re-breaking the daily lows, but 4 hour also hasn't flipped bearish yet and to break that low. So as the 4 hour starts to flip later, oh, why is this in black? As 4 hours starts to flip later and starts to break that low with the daytime from re-flipping to break the lows, I believe we should get some type of falling momentum. I think that should be at around 8 a.m. though, if that's the case. Let's see though. Let's see if we actually close. But to answer your question, did you just buy signal? Do you take the trade or only stick to your buys? Only stick to your buys, just because like if you were to just have like this on your screen here, sells below here, buys above there, you will most likely get caught in a fake out eventually. Long term, that's not a good thing to do. Because you don't want to have two biases for a day. It's like taking RAM trades pretty much, right? Instead of sticking to one plan. It's like you're kind of forcing a position, and by forcing that second position, for example, let's say you don't get the sells and you get the buys, going against the trend, at any given point we can fake out back into the range. And this is where I start to talk about range 2, range 1, but I'll get into that a little later. And you get faked out back in the range to continue down. Right, so it's very important to stick to one bias for a day and stick to that bias. Not every day's a trading day. If you don't get the sell, then you don't get the sells. That's what I did all April. That's what I did all May. That's what I did all June so far. Stick to one bias. It's very rare you guys see me have like, you know, bias above here, sells below here, unless it's a range 2 breakout. Bias for me would probably be above here, above 155-300. Range 2 breakouts. Flo and Logan just came to the bag, and they got the bag of what? Flo made 30 mil before the fight started, and like 50 mil for the fight, something like that. That's what I heard. And the announcement yesterday, and then Logan Paul made like 10 mil. I stinky fight. I think it wasn't that bad. It was better than the, what's it called, the Jake Paul and who did he fight last time?
Ben Askren.
Yeah, it was better than that fight by far.
I actually thought it was a pretty good fight from like a boxing perspective.
I don't think it was that bad.
Just because there wasn't a knockout doesn't make it a bad fight, you know.
Marcos, I'm about to send you some fights on Discord, some other links. I'm sure you've seen some fights. I'm not saying you haven't, but I just felt like
Boxing or UFC?
Boxing, 100% boxing.
Of course, it is. You can watch a brawl.
I not that like Marco said. I think it's you're not just looking for like some like crazy TKO knockout, but it just was trash. Logan was just like, yeah, he was just sleeping on him. He just was every 2 seconds just grabbing him, bringing him up. Well, obviously, that's a tactic in boxing. So it's not like you don't ever see that, but that shit was whack to me.
I like Tyson Fury versus Anthony Joshua. Okay.
Turn me up now. Turn me up. That's funny.
Good fight. Not Anthony Joshua. I meant Tyson Fury versus Deontay Wilder. My bad, guys. But yeah, not a good fight.
Is that Ifty, the man, the myth, the legend?
Hey, what's up, controller? What's up, team?
Ifty,
Okay.
Ifty hasn't been here for like 5-6 months.
It's been a long time, man.
I don't even think Martin Trading, you guys have met or anything. That's how long it's been. Wow.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
What's poppin', bro? How are you?
Good, man. How you guys doing?
Chilling.
We got Mars Trading, we got Michael, we got Didi. We got some new faces in here, right?
Yep.
Cool, guys. Nice to meet you all.
You still trading, right? Obviously.
Yeah. Just, man, like, everything just flipped. Like, I started a new job, like, 5 months ago, and then after that, it was Ramadan. So just been laying low, man. Just catching up on things.
Yeah.
How you been, though? You're good?
Yeah, you know, just the usual.
Nice.
Just the usual. Trying to become a full-time streamer. Yo, Maurice, Jerome, Fit You, Pedro, Forks Machine. Thanks for the subs. Appreciate it.
Where's Carlo?
MIA.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's been MIA. Quite a bit.
He's traveling right now. He should be home like next month.
All right. Premier, man, nice content on IG on the do's and don'ts. I'm enjoying those.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. I'm trying. I'm learning.
Yeah. Is that gym in your condo?
Yeah. That's the little gym in my spot. There's like literally no one there ever.
That's perfect. I guess the job
Yeah.
done.
I just bring my camera down there and just try and shoot something every day. A little piece of content every day.
Yeah.
It's gold bullish. I'm looking for buys about 1887. Above there would be ideal for me. This counter here, this 30-minute counter here, closed bearish at resistance here, rejecting that resistance. I believe if we were to potentially break that high, we may get the 15-minute starter play going up, but it kind of has no bottom wick here, which I'm very skeptical about. The 1 hour, however, closed bullish. If you zoom closely and look closely into this range here, we have closed above the resistance, like just above it. So you would usually expect this wick to get filled here, but I'm staying out of this range. Like I said, I'm gonna get the buys above that resistance later on. How big is this range here, by the way? 0.3 pips, not bad. 8 pip stop loss would have had. First for trade here, not bad.
That 1 hour closure was like super weak, almost right at that resistance. So I was looking at it, but it retraced a bunch.
It closed a little bit above, but yeah.
15-minute no bottom wick.
Yeah. 1 hour wick fill. Guys, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the day. How Bella hoodies. Ooh.
You selling clothing line, Don?
No, that's oh, see, you haven't been here in so long. You know what Chabella means.
I heard you mention it a few times.
Oh no, that's our that's our, like, I say it's our audience's like stuff. I wouldn't say it's necessary. It's like just general forex merch, because a lot of people wouldn't get what Chabella is, but our audience, yeah, we start saying Chabella a lot. And guys, Chabella in the chat. Yeah, we just slapped it on a hoodie.
Nice.
Definitely cop one. W's. W in the chat for the hoodies. What am I doing? Okay. Yeah, Tyler, I couldn't do it on Twitch today just because the titles and all that were getting messed up, and I had to like redo the description for YouTube, so I just was kind of chalked, I'm not gonna lie. But hey, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll test out tonight. I'll probably call you tonight too. Are you looking for any buys to GJ? I want to say above here. Above here, range 2 breakouts. Above this resistance here. A closure above here would be ideal for me. Push up towards the next resistance, which is gonna be somewhere up here. How big is his range? Yeah, 7 pips. I look for buys above here, right? Because you have like a range 1, right here, range 1, right after this, like a lower range 2 here. Buys above here will be ideal. Just look left as well on the hourly time frame. The last time we actually closed above 154.966, we're able to push up towards the next level of resistance, the next range. Look this right there, closed above, continue up. I would expect the same thing here. Close above this range here, this resistance. We'll be able to continue up towards 154.200. Would be ideal. Minor resistance right here. Arbella. Chabala. I think Marco was the one that made Chabala. Then we put the E, Chabella. Because technically it's supposed to be CIAO. Like ciao in Italian.
You guys used to make fun of me for how I said it.
Yeah.
Now it's a
Don
sweatshirt.
loves the way you say it.
Now it's a hoodie.
Say it.
Now it's a hoodie.
Devin Booker hoodie is coming out soon.
Yeah. The Suns, right? The championship.
I've always been a Suns fan.
Before you played on the team, or?
Yeah, I was a Suns fan as a kid.
Mm.
And then I, came through the ranks.
Mm-hmm. Not gonna lie, wearing no headsets, just earphones is probably the best thing I ever did in my life for a stream.
Are you wearing AirPods right now?
No, those things it barely works. It disconnects, it's so bad with the PC, so I just stopped.
You got wires on?
Yeah, I stopped on this.
You should get the Maxes, the AirPod Maxes. They'll probably be better.
I have them.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, right here.
Joe, PC's so trash.
It's trash? Excuse me?
Yeah. A simple Bluetooth connection.
Nah, because Apple's connection is different though. Like you can use use a whole different like Bluetooth connection. But Apple's
That's cap. It's just Bluetooth.
nah, man. You can definitely use the Bluetooth on the PC.
There's got to be a better way.
Someone asked about EU. Some of your charts in the EU. EU, man.
I can't believe people trade EU in 2021.
EU is resident sleeper.
That's just a stock. That's like a blue chip stock.
Yeah. It's very slow. That's probably just your adapter. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. I mean, I don't really care. Like, I think about like I don't like them as well. I like these are more comfortable to me. I always like the AirPod ones a lot more than AirPod Maxes. I just hate the rubber thing, man. This is y'all trade one pair. We trade 2 pairs. I trade 2 pairs at least. Oh my god, I need to stream on TikTok. What am I doing? Stan is coming tomorrow. Is a Stan? Pretty sick. Fire. Okay, TikTok. Go live. Face cam. It's better than no cam, right, Marcos? Face cam?
It's true.
Alright.
Anything. Put it on your foot.
Yeah.
As long as you're live, man.
As long as I'm talking, right? Like,
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Something I want to start doing is like have it like looking at me, like they can't necessarily see the computer super well, but I have like a whiteboard in the background that'll say what's going on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like twitch.tv, whatever. And like,
Yeah.
like Q&A, like ask questions, you know what I mean? Like, it's pretty good. You just got to be live, man. Basically taking your potential growth and you're putting it in the trash can, spitting on it. It's the best way to put it.
Yeah. Definitely.
Andre, I saw your face.
How would I put it right here? It would just be a scam.
It's free.
If I put my camera right here, I mean, shit, it's free, right?
You'll hit 2K followers today if you're live for 2 hours.
I think my iPad's gonna fall if I do this. Oh man, if my iPad falls and I crack my screen, I'm blaming you, Marcos. iPad was
Cap. Cap.
live. TikTok. Okay. Y'all should start trading US 30. How that sound? I used to trade US 30. That was my first pair ever. I feel like a lot of people don't even trade. People trade US 30 just because it's the most volatile pair, you know, and they like those quick points. I don't know. I used to trade it. I traded for like a good year and a half, 2 years, and then I stopped trading it because one of my brokers didn't offer it, and so I just took a break from it. And I mean, I might return to it in the future, but I don't know. I have no plans right now to really change up my list of pairs yet, right? I'm just on gold and GJ right now. I have a question. Guys, send your charts in the Discord. I can't see charts here. Send it in Discord. Okay, so what's this? Josh 219 with the chart. What does this say? GJ 30-minute time frame. This is 1 reason for entry. Okay, so looking for sells below here. 2 clean traffic to the left with secure 50% at 10 pips. Allow rest to run to break even or take profit. Closure outside of the range preferred. Will take a 30-minute start replay. Reason to stay out. No talk, no bond wick. Oh, I like that. I like this. Reason for entry. Reason to stay out. Reasons to get in. Perfect. Also buys above range 2 breakout. Perfect. This is a perfect chart. This is a 10 out of 10. Bada boom, bada bing. 10 out of 10.
Like a lot of people have these like blue, black, and white background charts. Is that a thing? Like a movement?
I don't know, but it reminds me of LMFX. No free promo.
Yeah. That's facts. But like I like it. It's cool. It feels like it's its own team, you know what I mean? It's like rating the stream.
Whatever that means.
That's not what I meant.
No, like what? I feel like it's his own team.
You're just man. You're just starting politics. How about them Hawks?
Smell it.
What?
Huh? The Hawks?
Yeah, bro. Trae Young's different.
On mute. They won, right? Against the Sixers?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. I didn't watch it. I was on Warzone. Fortunately. What up?
Respect.
What's up, TikTok? Why is it not focused? Man, the camera quality on TikTok is so bad. Might just be my phone, actually. My bad. Just can't. No free promo? Yeah, no free promo. NP. We may get buys here, guys, in 15 minutes. It's 15 second close bullish here. Might get the WAP going up. Next time is gonna continue up to close above the range, and we might get the buys going up. Should be a clean day if this were to happen here. That'd be perfect. It's 2 15-minute counts like that.
How do you feel about the 30-minute celery play happening within the next 15 minutes? We'll be breaking previous 1 hour highs and then re-breaking the previous 4 hour highs for the celery play again.
Gold.
Yes, sir.
30-minute celery play. Whenever we're breaking highs as well. That's not too bad. Yeah. Question. Are you gonna use a 15 stops or 30-minute stops? If you were to enter. Yeah, which I'm pretty sure you're
stops are about 23 pips right now. And my target's like 21 pips. So technically it's a negative RRR.
What's your target? Really? My target is like up here. Where do you have yours? Right here, I guess?
Yeah. I guess I could make it work, but that's my...
You can use the current 15.
This right here is my first target, at least.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be looking to close at least something.
I want to see if we can get a closure on this 15 here. Make sure I don't drop my iPad. My iPad's on a slant. I mean, it's on the edge. My iPad's living on the edge right now. Yeah, don't fall, iPad. Nice monitor stand coming. Not monitor stand. iPad stack coming in 2 days. Pretty fire. Jeffrey, what's up? What's up, Jeffrey? How you doing? Jordan FX, I got you. Same buy. Is this the same thing? Same buys? GTA 30-minute time frame. Will you take buys above 155,500 if you don't get sells? I think I said it was above 155. I'll look for buys above here. We have the last time we have closed above here in the hourly time frame, we were able to push up to the top of the range, which is 155, 100. So buys above there would not be bad for me at all. Unless you have the 4 hour start play that just happened here, I would believe we should be able to continue up towards that top of the range there. Would be ideal, at least. Yeah. Range sells below. Yep, sells below. We're clean. Range 1, range 2, range 3, range 2 buys. Going against the trend. Also, Billy hasn't even closed below the range yet. Any given point can come back into the range. That was very important. Marcos put me onto Google Calendar. That's how I use now. I used to use the what's it called? The to-do list for Microsoft. Oh my god. It feels so bad.
That's wild. No, Microsoft, everything like Microsoft products are like the like old version of Google. I feel like Google like has been innovating all their stuff, like Google Docs and Sheets and all that.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
like Excel, Word, and all that, it stays like it's been the same since can't even remember.
People just get used to it, you know, and they don't really want to switch.
And the fact that it integrates, like, it's so good.
Yeah. You guys trade Nasdaq as well? No, we don't trade Nasdaq. I used to trade like use 30 though. I don't trade Nasdaq. We trade GJ and gold.
That's 100, baby.
Nas 100.
Yes, sir.
I need to put labels on my sampler. I know what sound effects are what, because I completely forgot. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Let's fucking go. Okay, that's that.
She's a runner. She's a track star. Let's go.
Okay. Cool. What's this?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
is. What's this?
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
Perfect. Someone sent a chart here. You know. I'm actually happy that we did this thing of sending charts in Discord, because like some people send charts to fuck around. Like, they send charts to like write shit on it and just just stay shit and clown around. But by sending charts in Discord, you can see your charts before you can look at them. Pretty cool. Plus I can see everyone's chart too. I won't be missing out. GG 30-minute time frame. For taking trade based on fake out, do you prefer this type of candles, or do you prefer a fake out in a 15-minute happens inside one 30-minute candle? Trade based on fake out, or this type of candles. What about these candles? Second 15-minute candle of 30-minute candle, first 15 of if I were to pick between the two, I'll preferably wait for the second over the first, obviously, because the first would be the first 15, aka the bottom wick of that new 1 hour candle being formed. I prefer to take the second, but that's if it comes down on this. Sometimes I might just take a trade off the first 15, right? Because the hourly would be closing above, or whatever the case would be. That's a pretty good question. There's questions like that, and then I get questions like, "Yo, Don, GJ buy or sell?" Gregory, learn with me. What's up? Thanks for subbing. It's funny. For those that don't know, Discord is right here, link in the description, and you could go to the charts for stream section and send your charts here. These are where our charts are. How many members do we have for this channel? I think the link has been broken. 812, not bad. Been open for like what, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks? Not bad. Pretty sure we can get to like a couple thousands, maybe 2, 3 by the end of the year, maybe. Andre, what's your plan for the star reply? Were you gonna take it?
Nah, I'm gonna stay out. I'm gonna stay out just because I feel like normally when I'm trying to take a celery play, I'm looking for like cleaner traffic than this right here. Like if this resistance was lower, like right here, and the celery play was up here, I think that'd be different. But since as soon as you break this high here, this is like a pretty strong resistance. So I'm gonna wait. The 15-minute closure above, I think, is gonna give me some smaller stops to make my RR a little bit better, and just patiently wait.
What these right here? Well, let's say this were to happen. The wick was up here above that range.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what you meant, right? Yeah.
That would look a lot better because now you're looking at all that clean traffic looking left instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 candles that close right there at resistance that are technically above that candle high that we'd be taking the celery play on.
Yep. How about GJ? What's your plans for that?
Man, I feel like I might just wait for this daily candle on GJ to close and like hope that we close below 154.91, just so like you said that we're out of that range. Touching something inside that range, unless we like really start breaking lows, I'm probably gonna stay out. Especially because I was bearish for the day. We broke the 4-hour high. So for the celery plays, maybe we're coming back into the range now. I think it might just be one of those days where I just watch GJ, let it close, and then come at it tomorrow with a more clear biased. I feel like my bias is a little chalk today, and GJ.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to these range 2 breakouts here.
You gonna take the bias?
Yeah, above 154, like 154.98. Just because if you look left, like on the hourly, last time it closed above, we're ready to pop up towards the top of the range, and that's the most recent resistance as well, above a range 2 breakout. And I was bullish for the month. Like at any given point, we can still flip, right? So.
Are you gonna wait on the hourly, or would you take it on the 30-minute as well?
I would take it on the. I think a third closure would be fine. Our next 30-minute candle though, which is also the hourly candle at 8 a.m. So let's see if it.
I'm afraid of the 30 just because if you look in the 30, where you said like the last time the hourly closed above, a 30 closed and faked out. If you see it right there to the left.
Yeah, above there. Yeah.
Yeah, which is the only reason I'll wait for an hour. I don't get faked out on 30.
Chat, you guys asked me earlier, how do you avoid fakeouts? This is how, right? What I've noticed that fakeouts usually happen is within the first range. For example, we're on a bearish day today. You have sells, you look for sells below here, but now price breaks above. People will get hungry. They'll be like, I want the buys now. I'm gonna look left, like that's clean traffic, whatever. They'll get the buys in, and this is where the fakeouts will happen. In this area right here. This, and we'll pop back into range. If this were to happen, sells coming back down to fill the range would not be bad, because that was my original bias for a day.
I'll take those sells all day.
Yes.
Yeah, I love those plays.
It's a bit worried about this shit right here, but should be fine at 30, I think. Yeah.
I feel like those fake out back in the range positions actually play out more than closure above or below for me.
It doesn't even focus, man. Can't focus on TikTok. That's so shocked. This thing's streaming on like 480 or 480p. Their monster size is useful. Yeah, I guess it is, but you always be like looking for I don't know, I feel like it kind of pushes you towards the overtrading, you know, because you're always looking for entries. There's always an entry with different strategies. Like I've been through a lot of trainer styles too in my past, and if I were to go back to any of them, I would probably not go back to any of them, because I feel like a lot of them is just a lot of them don't have like the details that this one does have, or at least for me, doesn't really make sense. Like, I don't know the whys for a lot of certain things, a lot of certain strategies, and I've never seen anyone that explained it with the whys. It's just like, yo, why is there a fib here? Well, it's a fib. What the fuck is a fib? It's a fib. The golden zone. What does that mean though? You know? So like I never got the explanation for anything. That's why I don't really like or at least I haven't really changed my strategy the past year and a half, 2. Yeah, like for sure you can have your own approach. Like I prefer you to have your own approach, especially come to the streams. You can show it however you want, right? Me though, right? I'm not gonna have a different strategy.
No one ever gave you the spiel about how the fibs are connected in every organism and all
In life?
type of yeah.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah.
Who hasn't got that?
Yeah, I definitely got that. But what's
It's
that
not about, I don't mind if I like the concept of fibs. It's just in trading, it's a little different. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Trading isn't a plant or a rabbit's foot or whatever they say in that video.
I mean, if you guys go back, remember that video that I did a couple months ago on my Instagram page?
I mean,
Where is it? Oh no, it's this one. Is this life? Right? This video here, is this life? Life. This is. I drew the candles of where life is. If you draw on a fib, like let's say price is going down like this. At some point, this is like a 38.2 retracement or something, or 61.8. And I talk about how life is just like candles. You have ups, you have downs, you have ranges. You retest the highs again, right? This is a 38.2 retracement to go up. It's just life.
It's an amazing video, by the way.
It is. I'm gonna like it.
Check out gold.
Ooh, pushing up there. Oh no, not there. Starter play. Sorry, there's no starter play here. 4 hour starter play. Ooh. Where are the impulse buyers at? No bottom wick. I know a lot of you guys entered the impulse buys there. A lot of you guys entered impulse buys. No bottom wick in this current candle. Careful. Mars for a lot of attention. Marcos, did you just text yourself or talk to yourself on my TikTok?
I don't know what you're talking about. No idea what you're saying or talking about. That's not me. That's Mars Trading. I'm Mars Trading FX. Two different people.
Different, yeah, totally different.
Silly rabbit.
Oh wow, GJ Fakeout back in the range. Here we go, chat. This is why it's so important. Wait for range 2 breakouts, not just range 1. If you would have gone to buy right here on the first breakout of this resistance, you would have been like, fuck, now we're coming back into the range. The bias is bearish, right? Don, could you elaborate on the sales subscriptions? Yes, I can. Go on my story page if you want to know how they're being sent. This is how they're usually sent. It used to be sent on Telegram, but now it's on Discord. Go to Signals, watch that stuff. Watch those stories. There's like 4 story highlights there. And then yeah, it gives all the details. We also have a post about Signals too. Where is it? You get 3 channels. You get a Signal channel, you get a Signal chat, and you get like a education channel. So you get daily analysis every day too. Patient number 1, fellas. True, Randy. True. If you guys haven't done so yet, go subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. We're almost at 6K. What are we at right now? 5.6? Not bad. Music. I used to be very aggressive in my entries, but now I'm more cautious and let them mark the charts beside my entries. Yes. Oh, look at this. Gold coming back to give us that bottom wick. Impulse buyers. Oof. Right, there's no reason to buy there. We didn't close above the range. We were below the range, right? There's no bottom wick in that candle. It's also been down here if you were to buy though, but I don't know. This is no confirmation for me. I said you need a closure here, right? Closure. Good gold, Andre.
That's where we wait for our wicks. That's where we wait for our closures above ranges.
Perfect. That's very important.
I already know those impulse buyers just got smoked.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
GJ, a lot of time left, but perfect 30-minute fake out sales if it were to close right below that previous.
Yeah, man. Close like this, breaks its low, and boom.
Yeah. I would like to close like below the previous body on the 30-minute, but it's 26 minutes left, so.
Yeah.
I think I want a closure below this right here. I think this is what 154,800. Was looking left like that out right there was throwing me off earlier on the sells. I think once you get that, should be good. Coming down. Put my support down there for now.
Don, would you take sells on gold back in the range below 1885.91 or no?
I kind of want to buy is above this resistance here. I'm not sure if I'll take sells. Wait, what you said 1891? You said?
Yeah, like right now you're on the 30. Ooh.
Oh, up here.
Nope. So below here, back in this range.
Oh no, probably not. No, I'm bullish on gold today. Above 1887 would be my buys. Yeah, 1887. You've been mused. What do you think? I'm Viet. I'm Viet. Hi Don. About my previous question. In this case, use 30-minute time frame chart. If current 15-minute candle closes back in the range, do you take sells or you wait for 30-minute candle closes in the range? I think 15 and 30 will be fine here. Again, guys, whenever you draw like lines on your chart, support resistance, you understand why you're drawing them. It goes back to understand the why of everything that you do, right? And the why in this case would be look left. We haven't closed below his range yet. We have struggled there, so closure below would be ideal for us to drive down, right? So if you want to 15 30, look at what time frames have closed below, what time frames have rejected in the past. In this case, 15 and 30 both have never closed below, so closure on either time frame would be ideal. Come down, and that's why I choose between. That's how I choose between the 15 and 30. Someone's praying for it to flip. Yeah, man.
That 30-minute celery on GJ. Looks like there might be some volume.
Yeah, it's right at support right now.
I don't want to close ya.
Yeah, I'm definitely waiting for a closure. I wouldn't have taken those 30-minute GJ celery sells coming down.
Yeah, closure. Big as a range. 19 pips, not bad.
How do you feel about the 4-hour previous high getting broken? So like we could quote unquote be bullish for this 4-hour. You don't mind taking sells now?
If you close back in range, I'll take sells. Yeah, but buys for me will only be above like 154 and not like 987 above there. That was the original plan.
I think I'm actually going to stay out of these sells with the closure back in the range just because we broke those previous 4-hour highs.
$7:37. An hour has passed already on the stream as well. Time flies. Especially with music like this. Hey, at least we have music though, right? Even though it's not the it's lit. Forgot this. It's this type of music you play in the morning when you get coffee. Carlos, what's up? How are you doing today? Man, this TikTok screen is so blurry. Oh, you know why? It's because this iPad is like 12 inches, 13 inches. So the resolution is very different on the phone. Was it blurry on your phone, Marcos, or no? Wasn't bad, right? Euro USD 5-minute breakout, new high. They get any charts in that page? Charts for stream. Ooh, nice chart. See. You 30-minute time frame. This would be 1 hour fake out back into the range if the next 30-minute closes back in. 15-minute closure above. Intro to the next forward candle could be TP. If you take a trade on the 30-minute, is the next 30-minute level always your TP? Not quite. Sometimes it's a lot lower, a lot higher, depending on different time frames. But I'll see the next. I'll say if this is my trade here. I'll take a TP right here. Just because I know there's a 1 hour wick here or something. This is probably a 1 hour wick. I think it is. Last time I saw. Yeah, TP probably a 155, 176 for me. Jeremy Bello, what's up? Let's see if we can get these buys in. Oh, yo, can you add a co-host on TikTok? You know what I could do? I can get a second phone, make a second account, add a co-host, and I'll have 2 cams on TikTok. I'll have a face cam and I'll have a screen cam. That's a pretty good idea because I have 2 screens, like 2 lives. Things like there'll be an echo and shit. That's the thing. Oh, I can mute one actually. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Yo, Friday's stream was so lit, chat. Such a lit stream. It was a 4-hour stream too. It was a long stream. It was like a podcast. I was thinking like have Spotify audio. If Spotify had like live audio, that'd be pretty cool. You can go live on Spotify and you can tune into your, you know, whoever. Isaac Carlos, Bird, what's up? Greg, what up? Who's in there? Who's on TikTok right now? Umbo, Big, Johnny, what's up? What's up, TikTok? We're live on YouTube right now. If you guys are in here for the full experience, go to YouTube. Don't use Clubhouse. Clubhouse, like, I don't know, man. I don't know why I don't use Clubhouse. I had a Clubhouse. Like, I think I had it. I shouted it out one time. Like, follow the Clubhouse. We'll start a thing soon, but never really touched upon that. Do people still use Clubhouse on a regular? I feel like Twitter is gonna take over with the spaces very soon. What time is it? 7:43. Should I take my pre-workout now? I don't know what time I'm working out. I don't know if I'm ending my stream at 9 today or I'm ending my stream at 10.
Take it later.
I feel a little sleepy, bro. I couldn't fall asleep till like one last night for that fight.
Bro, I was so sleepy this morning. Fuck. I normally don't stay up that late. Shit was not even worth it.
What do you mean? Yeah, Wes, you got to enjoy the watch party with me. You got to see my live reaction while I was eating spring rolls.
I was even Don was shoving spring rolls in his face.
I was munching on them. Do you use? I don't know what that is. RG? I I don't know what that is. The indicator. Take your pre-workout before bed? Yeah, I should, right? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, the clubhouse space is pretty vacant, Don. If you ever wanted to get into it, I remember I signed up because I wanted to talk about Forex because I'm a dork even when I'm not doing it. And there's like no one talking about Forex on Clubhouse.
I saw a couple communities, but like not on a regular, right?
No, it's not regular at all. I mean, the Miami guys hop on sometimes, but but I don't know. It's still new.
Yeah. You can use no free promo. MP. I don't. I have it though. I don't though. But MP. Yo, Marcos.
What up?
Didn't you get your thing like 6 weeks later? How was it?
Oh, what? My wizard keyboard?
Yeah.
I don't even use it. I didn't even open it. If you guys want to hit me up, I'll give it to you for half price. My bad. Free promo.
No free promo.
No, I'm dead serious. My ad's on the screen.
Marketing 101. Yo, you know what was marketing 101 yesterday? When I posted my story of this, I posted this. Logan needs some pre-market fuel. That's marketing 101, man.
Yeah. That's funny. I thought it was a good fight. I think people overreacted.
This guy had a Charizard on his neck.
Who?
A PSA 10 Charizard. Logan. Diamond. Iced out. Diamond.
Yeah, probably. You know how much money those things cost?
A Charizard's what? 500k?
Nah, not yet. A PSA 10, a first edition Charizard, I think it's like $250,000.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually, the ones pulled on his stream are more than the ones that are regular. Like if you pull them live, it's a different price.
Oh, because legit. You have a video for it. Like an NFT. You can make an NFT for the video. Like,
yeah, it's about $250,000 right now. But they're just gonna go up. You know what I mean? You hold that for 10 years, it's gonna be $500,000. So I don't know. I like Pokemon cards. I'm holding one. I'm holding my Pikachu.
Oh,
this is what Don drinks. That's it.
Dude, this is what Don drinks. 3 charts. 3 charts. Use code ControlFX at checkout. I got yo. GJ's breaking up above that range. We came down with the lows. 1 hour close above the range as well. We have 13 minutes left for a closure here. Please teach me how to trade, bro. Steve, I will teach you how to trade, bro, if you come to the streams, bro. Man, the questions on YouTube are ridiculous sometimes, but TikTok's even worse, I think.
Be nice to your TikTok followers, man.
Yeah. No, I'm definitely very nice. Oh.
You can be meaner on YouTube because you know YouTube people are at least like in the game. You know what I mean? TikTok is just like, that's the wild.
Yeah, that's Narnia.
Square Zero.
Yes, correct. There's only 3 in the world according to him. 3 Charizards. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Plus the iced out chain too, with like diamond bezels. I mean, yo, that chain was fire. Actually, not. That whole chain probably like an extra 200k. That chain was like 700k for something like that. Like 700k for the whole entire chain.
I would never buy one of those cards online. I feel like you have to buy them in person.
You got scammed.
Bro, man, can you even spend $250,000 online?
Does
payment processor
does
is gonna
PSA
take
sell
that?
cards? No, right? They just check them, right?
Say again?
Does PSA sell cards?
No, they just grade the cards.
Yeah, they just grade them. I mean, you gotta buy on eBay then, but
nah.
Yeah,
I mean, I would like
yeah,
if you
trust
maybe you
the
could
seller.
advertise on eBay, but I would if I'm gonna spend $250,000, you for sure I'm flying out to the person,
Oh,
shaking
yeah.
their hand and looking them in the eye.
for
You
sure.
know what I mean? Give them the stare.
PayPal will probably pinned your transaction for like 2 months.
I'm bringing an appraiser with me, paying him like $2K. You know what I mean?
Yeah, security guard. Because that's like that's $250,000.
It's a quarter mil. I mean, the same thing if you're holding a briefcase with cash.
Yeah.
Scary stuff.
Thanks, TikTok for followers. Appreciate you guys. Yo, can I check my stats while I'm on live? Right now, right? Nah, I can't.
Stats? Oh,
Yeah.
analytics?
Yeah, that stuff.
Yeah, it's only at the end.
I got to know about Ricky Card going to hold it for like 25 years. What if he gets injured next year? What happens? I had this talk before with sports cards and stuff, man. I feel like it's better to get like the LeBrons and Jordans and, you know, get the top 10 players in the league are established. Like Giannis is a question still. He's getting there, but he hasn't won a championship, right? He's still a question. It's because rookies and these players, you never know, they can still get injured. Like Luka could get injured next year, who knows? For any injury, he can be in Derrick Rose, and that card would go to waste. It's always better to get like the LeBrons and the KDs and the Currys for what you want, especially long term. And no one's expensive too right now, but if you can, try to get one of those. Before he refreshes his wrist though. Oh damn, I'll grab PSA 10. I don't know, he may have potential to be like top in the league one day. I feel like my overlay is missing something. Am I missing anything? Focus. Top right socials. Face cultures taken. I think the bottom left is missing something. I think I should put like a music there or something. The music screen. But it's very choppy on OBS because I'm not on full screen on Spotify. It's kind of weird.
We get this closure above on gold. You're gonna use 30 or 15 minute stops on the open of the 8 a.m. candle.
Actually 6 pips from the 1 hour lows. I think closure on a 1 hour would. I use the 1 hour stops, man. Actually, 30-minute stops, yeah, like 25 pips or a 30 pip target.
Just say 1 hour stop, so almost like 30 pips, 28 pips.
If you smell.
I feel like 30-minute stops are good, and then you break those highs, you can move them up to 15-minute stops, and so on.
30-minute sips, you know.
Sips, yeah.
Yo,
I'm an alcoholic.
I'm taking out pre-market fuel, guys. I can't. I'll be back.
I haven't had pre-market fuel in like 4 days.
Really?
Might be having a withdrawal.
Alright, I'm gonna take it real quick. Give me like 1 minute.
I'd be pretty precautionary using 15-minute stops on this entry just because it's the open of the hourly. You got that previous hourly candle that's got a bottom wick that's 30 pips. You gonna take these Marcos or no?
Yeah. I agree with DD though. 1889 is that 4 hour resistance. So I would definitely be closing partials there. Probably close partials at 10 to be honest, but
That's where I have my full TP at. I don't have it.
Yeah. This daily pretty much has no top wick though. Could be interesting.
You're anticipating runners to fill that daily wick?
Yeah. I think if we hit TP, that would be the daily pretty much getting close to flipping, that'd be a pretty good runner. But I don't know, I'll consider closing full at 1889 though, because like I said, it's that 4-hour support. It's one of those things where like it could just hit your break even and then run. Might have too tight of stops.
From 1889 to the flip of the daily is like 20 pips.
Exactly. So it could easily just come down and hit your break even and then be a runner. So it might just be a good idea to take those 20 pip full TP. It's also only 8 o'clock. You can easily get 2 trades today.
I don't even think we're gonna get the closure now.
5-minute close bearish, flip bear, made top hook, flip bearish, about to break 5-minute lows.
Free market view.
Another fake out avoided.
Marco's trash, just loud as shit. Blowing into the mic.
My bad.
Look at this chat. Pre-market feel. Ice. 5. Looks so good. What's that drink at Starbucks? What's the name? Strawberry acai? Acai? Strawberry acai? You guys ever had that from Starbucks?
Nah, it's like a fruity drink, or
Yeah, it's a fruity drink. You ever had passion fruit? No, dragon fruit, mango, or dragon fruit, passion fruit, something like that. It's like a mix. I forgot what it's called. Fuck. It was dragon fruit something. I mean, I love dragon fruit. You guys ever had dragon fruit?
Not even sure.
Just kind of busting. Heart rate monitor. Thing's broken, bro. Thing's chalked. I gotta replace the battery, I think. I haven't replaced it. We had it for a good week. That thing was... Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, I said yes, boy, another fake out. Where? On what pair? DJ? Gold? What broker did you use? I use a trader's domain. I'll probably trade you tomorrow. It's not bad. Wait for that closure. Or wait for this range to break out here. It should be good. This one's a vibe. Add to a playlist. Playlist. Hype. Everyone in the chat know about Miami Cuban. Oh yeah, this guy's Andre is on to Miami Cubans now. You watched Nick Merckx once and never look back.
Is there a leaderboard for Traders Domain for like the top 10 or something?
I think so. I think they have.
Is that what?
No, I think you have to be like assigned to it.
Like, is it open for the? I guess I'm asking, is it open for the public to see, or?
Yeah, it's on a website, I think.
Does it give like the actual name of the client, or does it just like?
No, it shows like their account number.
Okay.
Did you 1 hour closing back in the range? Is it? I think it's in the range. I don't think it's closing back into the range. I think it's just in the range. It's just in this area right here. Or you can say this area right here. You have ADM opening here. Wow. Gold close right at resistance. No. I can sense. Can you sense it, Andre? I can sense the impulse entry people looking for entries as you break the highs or something here. I can just sense it. Chat, we have close below. There's no difference from. Actually, there is a difference. This and this. Difference is you have the ADM opening volume here. Other than that, there's no trade overall for me. I'm not looking to take any impulse or anticipations, you know, until we get closure above that resistance there. Vanessa, A1, what's up? Thanks for subbing to the channel. Appreciate you guys. You guys for being here, by the way. Why is Marcus and Andre always leave at the same time? They always leave at the same time. They're definitely up to something. What's your buys for today? I'm looking for buys above 154.987. That's my buys. And then sells will be for below 154.593. So I'm pretty much just avoiding this range here. I'm staying on this range. I'm looking to get buys above here, and I'm looking to get sells below here. And also I'm avoiding this range as well. That's my plan for today. No. I hate having targets profits wise, pips wise. I feel like it's like you're kind of forcing yourself to make a certain amount, and it kind of forces you to overturn over leverage to get to that amount every week. So I just try kind of trade it as it goes. Like I had a 4K month in April. The next month I wasn't gonna try to make 100K. I just traded as I would normally trade it. I did the same thing I did in April. I came up with 15K in May. Not 44K by 15, which is alright. I'll take it for what it is, especially with the way May has moved. So because again, it depends on the volume, the month, how rangy that pair is that month, or how volatile it is different every month. So you can't expect the same results every single month. So I don't like having that target, right? You can have a 20K week this week, and you can have a 5K week next week. If you were to chase a 20K week again, you would be forced in positions now to get to that 20K, and you would end up blowing your account chasing that. So I don't think that's a good approach in FX. Same thing with pips, right? I think if anything, pips are worse because you're chasing. Let's say you want like a 100 pip range. You want to catch a 100 pip range every single day. Not every day is gonna be set up for a 100 pip range. Not every day pairs are gonna move 100 pips. I used to have that mindset where I always want a huge swing trade. So every day I'll attempt my McLaren entries over and over again, and I don't blow my account more times than actually making profit and securing profits. Because if you have a target of 100 pips, you will never secure. You will never secure until it tops up 100 pip target of yours. You just, if anything, you wouldn't even move stocks to break even. Price can go up 60, 70, 80 pips and then come back to your entry. You'll be unfazed. You let it hit your stop loss. There's no type of management at all. Alright, you don't want to be too close to the idea of having a target. What's up, Mike? How you doing today, Mike Hunter? Total noob here. Just curious, when looking left, how far left is traffic significant or clear? I'll say most recent. I'll say most recent. So like in this case, like if you look at the gold on a 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, if you look left, you notice that we have never closed above this range in the past before. All right, so this came up, right? Rejected, and all these wicks here have all closed below this resistance. So closure above this resistance here, whenever that were to happen, would take us up towards the next level of resistance looking left, and that's gonna be right here. Clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic, end of clean traffic right there. So you expect price to continue up like this. Clean. pretty much to mirror that the other side. Basically what it is. You have news last night? I didn't check this. No, we didn't. Okay. Nothing crazy happened overnight. You could go to reject that resistance there, guys. Remember, it can still continue. It closed bullish, obviously. It can still continue up at some given point. It has no top wick, but for entries wise, I'll prefer to wait for a closure above. Yeah, this might be a 9 a.m. move or something, chat.
All right, guys, have a good one. I'll try to catch you guys tomorrow.
Oh, you're hopping off 50?
Yeah, man. The horse shit day.
All right, 50. Take it easy.
Later, guys.
Later. Avro. Yeah, so you're asking about accounts, right? And you're saying you want to get a sense of size of gains. 30% on my account is the same as 30% on your account. They're both 30%, right? If I were to make, 70% this month or 50% this month, taking my trades, and you were to take the exact same trades as me, you would have made 50% as well. Like nothing changes, right? So don't look at it from like that perspective. Like I know why you're asking. I used to ask those questions as well, or ask a lot of people those questions. How long to become profitable? What's your account size? How long will it take me until I stop blowing my account? Like how long to stop over trading? How long to stop over leveraging? You're trying to compare, right? You're trying to compare to figure out how long it took others, so you figure out how long it took you. Follow your own lane, man. Follow your own lane. You might be quicker than me, longer than me. Who knows? But focus on you, right? Because I recently upsized my account. My emotions are way different. I think I'm not ready. Yeah, if you up your account and you feel like your emotions aren't ready yet, then decrease it back down. Like the way how I increase my lot sizes is I would, for example, last year is what I did. I traded the same lot for the whole entire year last year. The 8 lot on gold, 8 lot on GJ and 4 lot on gold. Q4, I brought it down. I traded for gold, it was like a 2 lot, and for GJ it was like a 4 lot, 3, 4, 5 lot, around that range. I cut it in half. And in Q1 this year, I increased it back up for all-time highs. So I went to a 10 lot on GJ now, and then I'm using a 5 lot on gold. Next year, or this year I'm doing the same thing. Quarter 4, I'm going to decrease it probably down to 5 for GJ and 2.5 for gold, and then I'll increase it quarter 1 next year, so like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, maybe 20s by the end of next year. That's how I'm going with lot sizes next year. That's just how I do it. People say it's weird, but that's what's been working for me. That's what I'm comfortable with. Right. In other words, basically it's just this. So you up your lot size, you're obviously bullish, and then at some point, let's say quarter 4, you want to decrease it, right? When you decrease your lot size, all that's happening is you're creating a range here. This will not be your new range, right? So you have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and this is quarter 4 are your lot sizes. Quarter 4, you decrease it because, you know, volume's not there, and then next season, next year, you would increase it now. So you start off slow, and you start to increase it the next following year. Retest the highs. So as you retest the highs, you start to break the highs. And this is when you have a higher lot size, and then you continue up for the rest of the year. One big bullish trend. But you can't keep going up forever. At some point, you gotta take a break. In this case, this is your break. This is your break right here. This is your point where you pause and reflect on the year, or you reflect on, you know, that lot size and how you perform with that this year. And then you start to increase it again. Go back up. Alright, that's how trading is. This right here, by the way, this right here is also a wick fill. It's also a wick fill, guys. You know why it's a wick fill? Because if you look at this candle here, this, and this, those 3 candles, it'll probably add up, or sorry, these 4 candles right here, it'll probably add up to this. Why? Because let's say this is a 15-minute candle here. This is a 15-minute time frame down here, right? This is a 15-minute time frame. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 15-minute candles equals to what? 1 hour candle, one whole 1 hour candle. The last 15 candle was bearish. That'll be the rejection there on a 1 hour time, which will also be a wick. So as price goes up to fill that wick, all that's happening is price is just finding support to continue up, which is right here to fill that wick and then to continue up. So one thing leads to another thing. That's some big lot sizes, yo. It's ending. I've seen people pop 100 lot sizes. Like it might be big, right? Because at some stage in your life, like for example, 100 lot size for me is big right now. I can't pop that without feeling, you know, no emotions. I'm just not ready for that. But at some point in my career, I probably will get to 100 lot size. The moment you say it's, you know, no homo, too big, it's too small, you're putting yourself in a bubble, bro. You don't want to put yourself in a bubble. If people say you can't make money trading FX, you make more money doing IML because you get paid Cherry 100 money, which is what 100 was it 100K per month, right? Is that how it works? Or a million? No, 750K per month for Cherry 750. And it's like you can make more trading FX if you just don't put yourself in that bubble. You got there at one point. I used to pop 0.10s, I used to pop 0.5, 0.05, 0.01s. My first trade ever was a long lot though, just because I thought I was $1, right? But you learn over time. You learn through with your mistakes. One day I'll be popping 100 lots. Or yachts, yeah. Like, I don't think you can't though. Like, it's always a possibility. You can do whatever. Does market feel add volume, bro? It definitely added volume to me. Yeah, shit that I'm speaking about right now compared to the stuff I was speaking about an hour ago. But I don't know. It might be just an illusion in my head. Who knows? I think I gotta replace this with orange juice, man. Right, Andre? Some orange juice. Some healthy, organic, pulp orange juice.
You talking about instead of pre-market fuel,
Yeah.
you drink OJ?
Yeah.
You might not have the same side effect that pre-market fuel has some caffeine in it that OJ doesn't.
But what's something organic that gives you like energy? Organic.
Sleep,
That's it.
sleep, nutrition, hydration. Those are the things that proper nutrition. Those are the things that give you like quote unquote natural energy.
Natural energy. You're right. Sun too, right? The sun give you energy.
Sun, yeah, exactly.
Sun,
there you go.
Sun in the chat, guys. That's for sure. Sun in the chat. Yeah. What you eating right now? Oatmeal? Munching on some oatmeal. Same old, same old. I gotta buy a new box of oatmeal. I ran out.
Same grind every day.
Yeah, that is true. I mean, this gets me eat oatmeal for the past 6 years, bro. And dry oatmeal every morning for the past 6 years, yo. I'll give it to him, man. That's impressive. Every morning, a bowl, two oatmeals, 4 pecan nuts, 5 olive oil tablespoons of salt. I know I'm saying that, bro. But nah, for real, that's a lot of oatmeal, bro. That's a lot of carbs every morning. Are you gonna trade today? Yeah, I'm looking for positions. This is nothing I can do right now at all. Gold closed below the resistance, right at resistance. There's no buys. GJ on the other hand is still in the range here. I'm waiting for a breakout, especially above 154, 987 here. So yeah, there's no positions right now, but potentially there will be. How big was your account when you decided to go full time? It wasn't necessarily how big my account was. It was just that was trading making more than my average income at work at the time. Like, I feel like that's when you should go full time for a second amount of months too, not just 1 week. You're like, oh wow, I just made $100,000. Wow, I made $100 at the work at a grocery store. I should quit. No, it's like, make sure you make a certain amount to a point where you're able to live freely and comfortably without having to work for the next 6 months or next year, and then maybe try going full time, because then you'll have backup income to replace that that job of yours, pay some bills, obviously, while trading. And plus 6 months, being able to quit your job and think that your trading can handle the next 6 months is like very short term. But do you trade London session? No, I don't. I sleep during London. It's gonna get sleep, chat. Like, don't try to trade during all 3 sessions in a day, man. You get destroyed. You get tired, man. You'll get tired, exhausted. You have no time to really focus. Plus, you're over trading too. Think about it. You trade 3 sessions a day. You're taking like minimum 6 trades. 6 trades, and a trade takes up a lot of energy too, especially if you're doing it the right way. You're not taking round trades. It takes up a lot of energy to get in a position, manage it, close partials, especially while streaming too. Streaming is even worse because explain your trade, talk about your trade. But I like it. I've been doing it for about a year. Coffee? I don't like coffee. Peaches? Winky face? What does that mean? Leon, what does that mean? Would you please explain to the audience what you mean by peaches with the winky face? You try to sleep at least 6 hours a day? Yeah, I mean, I'd be sleeping like 6-7 hours a day. Pretty good. Weed? Yeah. I mean, yeah. Focus on the skill and money will follow. I agree. These are YouTube content questions right here. Yo, Todd, I think we got content for a day, bro. Like, whatever speech I just went on like an hour, like about 20 minutes ago, that might be the content. Is Tally here? W mod, W mod. Slow Monday, isn't it? It's pretty slow Monday, DD. I'm not gonna lie to you. Pretty slow Monday. But the 1 hour candle on gold starting to flip bullish here, and we haven't broken our lows. So with that being said, we have a high chance that we actually might continue up. Again, I'm not taking impulse entries. I'm waiting for a closure above. Maybe even a 15-minute start play. Do you have that? Ooh. What do you think, Andre? Actually, this is the same bubble we were in last time, right? Same bubble right here. It was right below that resistance as well.
Same thing.
I think the difference this time though is that it's the ADM volume. But
yeah.
Maybe you get a 30-minute closure. I'll take it.
I feel like if that hourly closed above, then I would anticipate the seller replay entry in the 15. Last time we closed at that 1887, we pushed all the way down to 1883. So, but who knows? Right now, it may flip.
Yeah. We got 9 minutes after first closure. Washing your face with cold water works, bro. I mean, I'm not tired right now. Thoughts, please, sir. Thanks. Myth, the legend, the man. Send me a chart on my Discord server in the charts for stream section, and I will take a look at it for you. I can't check charts here. I used to, but not anymore. I want to play music so bad, chat. We got copyright Friday for playing one song. It could just been a music day, honestly. Oh, Tyler, yeah, I got your message. Yeah, I just saw it. Great minds think alike, eh? We had the same idea. At what age did you start trading? I started trading at around 19. I'm currently 21, turning 22 next year. Been training for like pretty much no, sorry, 18. I started training when I was like 18. 3 years. I was like 19. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. If you're a new trader, just try getting experience every day by showing up. Don't compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 10. Ooh, that's a good one, Alexandra Bello. That's a good one. Yeah. That's what we always say, right? But people do it anyways. I did it. But we all know why we did it. We all know why we compare ourselves to other people's chapter 10s. It's because we're trying to figure out how they got to chapter 10. How they got to chapter 10, not how we got to chapter 10. Huge difference. We as in you. I said before, not everyone comes in FX as, you know, someone trying to change their career, someone trying to change their life. Some people come to FX just as a hobby, and they just naturally get good with it, and over time it naturally becomes their full-time job. But not everyone comes in with a $500 account. Some people come in with a 20K account, 15K off the rip. Someone's life could be like, you know, you could be chilling. They could be living life. They're making good money off their work. They want to try something out. But not everyone's a new, like, you know, not everyone's a 18-year-old trader that comes to the game with a $500 account, you know. So. Look at Andre. You know, this guy, he has his own fitness company. He trains people. It's his full-time job, right? But he trades FX, and it might be his full-time job in the future. But he's not rushing that. He's been training for what? How long have you been training for, Andre? 9 months? 9 pause. Like 9 to 6 months?
I was gonna say, I think it's around like right around like 8-9 months now.
Yeah, I mean, he's doing pretty well for 8 to 9 months. Pretty patient. Waiting for his entries, understanding fakeouts, like stuff like these. Like he picked it up pretty quick just by showing up every day. Watch the stream from October till now. How long has it been? October, November, December, January, February, March, June. Yeah, like 7 months of showing up every single day to the streams. The moment he first found out about the stream, every single day, every morning.
I missed one stream that entire 8 months that I've been here, and it was because I was moving. It was one day, the entire 8 months.
Yep.
Shit, I even came when I had vaccine, bro, when I was dying.
And you took a position.
Yeah, I took a position. Marcos was like, yo, you should probably move stops to break even. I was like, no, Marcos.
I'm like, this
I
guy's
shouldn't.
tired.
I remember you got off at like 9 a.m. You're like, I'm just gonna go lay down.
That was fucked up. By the way, Marcos was definitely right. Like, if I was clear-headed, I would move stops break even.
I was surprised. I'm like, aren't you? You're not gonna close that break even here? Come on. Fine though.
You wouldn't do that. I feel like you evolved since then though. Like now, like if you're not in the right headspace, you just won't even consider taking a trade. You just sit there.
Yeah, me and you talked about that the other day. Good point.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is okay. You don't have to. I don't know. That was like a weird thing that I had this notion that when I first started trading, that was since I showed up, I had to take a trade. Like I'm here on stream. I'm here looking at the charts. Like I think FX is not like other quote unquote jobs where you show up and then you get like an hourly wage. FX is the opposite of that. It's like just because you put in 3 hours in a trading day doesn't mean you're going to make a certain amount of money.
Agreed.
Yep. And that's why you can't expect to make money every day. When I wake up, who knows if I'll wake up, I'll make money today. Who knows? I might lose, I might win. I make my life income in one trade. Who knows? But again, like Andre said, he's been eating oatmeal for the past 7 months. 7 years. Do the same shit every day. Yo, exclamation point oatmeal in the chat.
Yeah.
Yo, we should have that oatmeal. Do the same shit every day.
Yeah. I like it.
Andre, what's your favorite oatmeal recipe, man?
All right, I'm gonna give y'all the full tea on the oatmeal. 2 packets of maple brown sugar protein oatmeal. Each packet has around like 8-10 grams of protein in it, right? 2 packets of that. Oat milk, put a little bit of oat milk in there, right, for your base. Put it in the microwave 2 minutes. Take it out. Take a scoop of protein powder, which is like right around like 25-30 grams. Put the protein powder in first, right? That's your base over the oatmeal. Then you do a bunch of frozen strawberries. Look at Don's got his hand. He's writing it out. After you got your frozen strawberries in there, 1 banana, mix it up. Boom, good to go.
Perfect.
Easy clap.
Yo, that sounds good as fuck.
Easy clap.
Easy clap. I get the it's like banana nut protein powder flavor. So you already got the maple brown sugar with the banana nut, and then you got the actual banana in there. Then you got some strawberries in there.
And then top it off, chat. Did you say peanut butter?
Mm-mm.
Well,
If I don't put protein powder in there, then I'll throw some peanut butter in there. Sometimes I
you
want to
put some
like switch it
Nutella
up
in there.
from the I'll throw some like almonds or some peanut butter or some shit. I'll mix it up once in a while, but for the most part, the protein powder is nice.
How about some Nutella? Thoughts?
That's a little too sugary for me in the morning.
Fair enough.
That's like a big bowl of Jolly Ranchers by your bed.
It was funny. I have a bowl of Jolly Ranchers by my bed. Hold on. Dad, you guys want some? I'll share. I haven't had these since I started working out though. It's been like 4 months. I have like maybe 1 the past 3 months. You see these every day, like 5 a day. But I mean, I'm a changed man. But sometimes you gotta treat yourself, you know. What's the best protein powder? I don't know. I have one type. I have Whey's protein. I think Andre, you talk about Ghost protein, that brand. What's it called? Ghosted or Ghost?
Ghost chips ahoy, man.
Yeah, Ghost protein is a Ghost.
Yeah.
Ghost is vegan protein. I like Planta, which is another vegan protein. I put it in the Discord workout link a while ago.
DD, that's so true. The less hours, the more money in FX. Think about it. If you're gonna trade all 3 sessions in a day, trading FX, what's the point? You're supposed to trade to, you know, have more time in your day for other things. Why'd you want to trade 3 sessions in a day and waste your entire day? When the whole purpose of trading is just to kill time, right? It makes no sense. You want 1 session, 1 trade, 3 trades, and that's it. Call that a day. What about the next day? How do you end trading sessions with a loss and just walk away? I can't stand taking an L. You just gotta stop. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. I haven't had a losing week in a while though, but it's definitely part of the game. Like I have losing days, and I have no type of emotions after that. Like it's part of the game. You gotta think long term, right? Who cares what you made this week? Who cares what you made last month? Long term, are you taking the trades that you would normally take, or are you taking random trades, random impulse trades? Because if you were to have a plan, or for example, I have a playbook. I only have like 5 to 8 trades that I would normally enter off of on a day-to-day basis. So if I don't see those setups every day, I'm not taking that position. I'm staying out. If I were to lose a trade, taking those setups, I'd be like, you know what? It's a high probability trade. I took it because of this. It's a good trade. But if you were to take a round trade and you were to lose it, it's worse than taking a trade that you would have planned. And you know, if you continue to take those trades, then that's when you wouldn't, like long term, you wouldn't be profitable, obviously. We say it all the time. We take losses on stream. There are trades that we would normally take on a day-to-day basis. Yes, I've seen us take those trades in the past. I'll be okay with taking a loss that day. Also, another thing, you gotta ask yourself, are you willing to take that same trade in the future, even if you were losing that trade today? For example, let's say you were to close above the range like this, right? Would I take a buy? Oh yeah, I'll take a buy, because we are close above the range. It's a trade that I'll always take, right? But what if price were to stop you out now, and price were to come down like this? Will you still take the trade in the future? Oh yeah, you'll still take the trade in the future, because it's a high probability winning a trade. It's a trade that I've entered off of like hundreds of times in the past. There's no different. Like, not all losses are bad losses, but as long as you remember to make sure you know the difference between good profits and bad profits. You don't want to get impulse trade today and next day take the same impulse entry and lose.
Yeah, and what gave me a little bit more confidence is I back tested like 20 trading days this weekend, and not one time did my like full stop loss get hit. So, and then I went up like 10%. Is like the first time I've done that. So it gave me more confidence that like I know how to manage my risk, so I'll never really kill myself. You know what I mean?
Yeah, another thing, managing risk. Very important.
Like most of my trades were like either profitable or break even. which is like whatever to y'all, but like that's the first time I've seen myself do that shit. I'm like, hell yeah.
The fact, you booked that time at 12 today, right? A 10-minute 1v1.
That's today?
And what day? Yeah, you booked today.
I thought it was Tuesday.
Oh,
Wait,
no,
let me.
you booked today. It's on my schedule.
Okay, cool.
It's fine.
Okay.
You want to change it? You can change it. I don't care.
No, today's cool.
All right. Yeah, guys. For course members, you have 1v1s now with me every week. It's a first come first serves. I probably will have more time in the future. I'm just kind of testing it out. But right now we have one more slot left for I think Wednesday, at 12 p.m. It's like a 10-15 minute 1v1 with me. So make sure you have your questions prepared, and you have all that good stuff. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna charge like actually for a 1v1. You know, like people charge like what was it, 15K or 1500 for a quick 1 hour 1v1. It's like for what? Yeah, look at Marco. Yeah, for what? Makes no sense. Like I'm literally, if anything, man, you ask questions. You ask questions on the stream. That's a 1v1. You can ask whatever on the streams, as long as it's not the usual. How long do you
1,500 an hour, huh? It's pretty good hourly pay.
Yeah. How much is that a year? How much is that a year?
That's maximum wage.
How much is that a year?
1,500 times 8. That's
how much in a day? Times 8 is let's see. 1,500 times 8 hours. You're making 12K. 12K a day times 5 days a week. 60 times 52. You're making 3 mil. Not bad. Pretty decent.
Light.
I'm light. How much does Steph Curry make an hour?
A lot more than that.
Hell yeah. A lot more. Wow, now 1K an hour, bro. That's money printing. Why people say it's not a good trade on Monday? I never said that. I have my take on that. My take on that is treat every day the same. Every day is the same. Nothing changes. You might have volume on Monday. You might have volume on Wednesday. You might have volume on Friday. But you can see when there's volume there. Like you can see these things, right? For example, today, there's not that much volume until we actually break out this range. But who knows? What's the difference between us ranging today and us ranging on a Wednesday? Because we've ranged on a Wednesday before. We've ranged on a Tuesday before. We've ranged in the middle of the week before. Right? It's not like it's only Mondays and Fridays where we range. So I've seen Mondays and Fridays where we've moved like really like aggressively for hundreds and hundreds of pips. And people stay out because they're like, oh, it's a Monday, I can't trade. It's a Friday, I can't trade. Well, every day's the same. That's how I see it. My best is on Mondays and Fridays. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes. The one guy, Ryan, that's a banks charges 25K for a 1v1. Damn, 25K, man. I do that shit for free on my live streams, man. Maybe we got paid 10 mil. Wasn't it 50 mil? Hello? Look how stinky GG is right now. Yeah, it's pretty stinky, Andre. It's in this range. Marcus, you having fun over there? Looks like you're having a great time.
My dog wants to be on stream.
Can you show the dog? Low dog cam? Yeah. Yeah, it's cute, dog. I'm not gonna lie.
Her breath stank right now.
Why is his eyes so big, bro? It's about to fall out of his face. Like it's about to come off. Like, whoop.
Look,
What's his name?
Brooklyn. I'm gonna name my dog Rochester. Yeah, it's funny.
That's funny. Doesn't quite roll off the tongue, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, Rochester, come here. Someone on Instagram charges 15K an hour for teaching how to sell on Facebook. Yeah, I mean, marketing is marketing. If you're able to get someone to market that for you, and that's your full-time job to market like that, fuck, you're a legend.
Just go on YouTube, guys.
You're a legend. But I'm just saying, there's other ways than paying someone for, you know, that much money to learn about certain things. Like, you know. But for them, for people that are marketing it, big ups. You've sold a client, man. 15K for a 1v1, you know, props to you. Give them credit. When you set your stop loss to break even once you enter a trade. Okay, so let's go through an example right here. Let's say I were to take a buy on gold here above this resistance like this, and we were to pop up like this. I'll take a buy, close above the range. I'll move my stops to break even probably as we come to tap like around like this area right here. Why? Because there's like a minor resistance here. Like that wick right here is a count on the small time frame, on a 5-15 minute time frame, right? So I understand that's a minor resistance. I think we'll be in around 8-9 pip mark in profit. So that's a break even. Then after that 10 pips, which is around here, I'll close half at 10 and leave a runner going up towards this TP up here for 30-40 pips. That's how I manage that trade if I were to take one. We might get it here. 30-minute target play happening right now. 1 hour flipping bullish after creating a lower wick. Ooh, might get a closure at 9 a.m. Ooh, gold looks kind of nice. Not gonna lie to you guys. Not bad. Not bad. Some volume here.
Yo, Don, I've seen you take partials at like 9 pips, 8 pips. Is that really just discretionary, or are you switching, or are you doing a hard 10 pips now?
Whenever you see me take powerful at 9-8 pips, it's probably because of spreads or something, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like it, but I probably tried to close fall at 10, but I couldn't in time. Cute dog. With DJ Daily closing bearish and 4 hour closing bullish, how would you go about looking for positions? Thing is, like, although we were bearish today, the week was like the monthly still bullish, and the monthly started to reject. Oh, well, sorry, that's the wrong pair. What was the reason for me to buy this here? Oh yeah, range 2 breakouts. That was the reason. I had a range 2 breaker right here. So with the 4 hour closing bullish, it's also in our favor as well. Taking buys above like 154.987, going up to fill this range here. I'm looking to catch this piece right there. Right. Range 1, range 2, range 3. Buys above here going up. This is your fake out range. Or what you want. I want buys. Hey champs, hope you guys had a great weekend and hope you're killing it. Have a legend day, champions. Turbo is such a great guy. Every day he shows up to leave a message. W in the chat. Join our free Discord server. If you can't join a Discord server, by the way, let me know. I gotta change the link. Should be fine though. Oh wow, we got gold reject there. Broke the highs, came back down, rejected that resistance. Look what I have, chat. What does this say, right? Closure. Yeah, 15 minutes left for a 1 hour / 4 hour candle closure. So far though, it's been a pretty slow day, but not much you can do about that. Whitney, greatest fans, what's up? Thanks for subbing. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like on the channel, on the video, and the live streams, and go follow up and subscribe to our channel. Sub. GG might be breaking out here potentially. Yo, Andre, if you don't close above this range here, I might just do a workout at 9:30 ish.
It's a good idea.
Yes, sir. I have a schedule now, thanks to Marcos. So I got a stream from 6:30 to 10:30. Put 10 just in case, but overall workout from 11 a.m. to 12 originally. I can probably move that in the fact. Try to one about 12 to 12:30, and editing after probably until 1 to 1:45 for content, and then my day is done.
Okay. I moved my stuff back. Probably my stream's gonna be shorter today because it's like 90 degrees and sunny. First only day of the week, so I'm gonna go to the beach.
The beach. Who are you going with?
Like one. The girl, my sister.
Oh, your girls.
Those are two people.
Your girls.
Those are two people. Those are two people.
Unless you're rice gum. Yo, your girls in town?
Yeah, she's right behind me. You can see her in the corner, right there.
Ask her, give us some manifestation.
Right. Little guest.
Yeah. Ask her, give us a quote to live off for today.
She's gonna be like, "Shut the fuck up."
Hey Chad, do you guys like the videos we've been posting? How do you guys feel about it? How do you guys feel about the videos? The videos from yesterday. I love Whoop. I think this is my favorite. I like this one better than this one. But for start off, we're gonna have, some more topics in the future.
All right, I got the quote of the day.
What's up? What is it?
The quote of the day is, if you can picture it in your mind, you can have it in real life. Is that what it was? Yeah. If you can picture it in your mind, you can have it in real life. Anything's possible. You need that. Oh, that could be a sick sound. The Kevin Garnett.
What? He said that?
Bro, what? You don't know? I guess you were. Yeah. The 2008 NBA Finals, Celtics win. He screamed, "Anything's possible." That was so sick.
Anything's possible. Anything's possible.
That would be a sick sound, right, Bello? Anytime we have like an inspirational talk.
Anything's possible!
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I remember that.
That's the goat right there. Hall of Famer now.
Bro, that was one of the most legendary NBA moments. Yeah, but I gotta remember it, guys. I was 8 years old. I probably didn't watch basketball like fully until like I was 11.
Yeah.
I started watching ball like really following basketball the moment Jeremy Lin shot that shot on the Raptors game winner, and Lin Sandy became a thing. That's when I started watching. I literally went to school the next day. Everyone was like, "Yo, people call me Jeremy Lin."
Bro.
I had the same hair as him. Like, I was Jeremy Lin on the Knicks. I was Lin Sandy, bro.
That was funny. That was, I don't even know. That's crazy.
You remember that shot with the Knicks?
Yeah.
Probably one of the most legendary moments. It was so hype. When I trade one pip away from stop loss and then go straight for TP, anything's possible.
That's funny.
I am pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days. Funny. Oh man. 10 minutes for a closure chat. Tell Better merch dropping tomorrow at 8 a.m. Andre, you ready, bro? Are you ready?
I'm excited, bro.
Should I be a music day tomorrow?
Yeah.
Imagine I play this. I play this. I'm not gonna play it, by the way, Ty. Don't worry. But imagine I play this. Oh, he's so lit. It's gonna drop tomorrow. It's gonna be so lit. I'll probably play it during the drop. Will you move your stop loss to break even if your runner is in pretty good profit, or do you leave it at the break even all the way? And what is your RR? Sorry for asking the big question. No, you can ask all the questions you want to ask. I will move my stops to break even the moment before I even leave a runner, right? Because you move your stops to break even and then you close half and then you're risk free for a TP. But yeah, it will be at break even until my TP. What is my RR? Depends on the trade. Sometimes it's a 1-to-1, sometimes it's 1-to-2, sometimes a 1-to-4, 1-to-5, like sometimes a 1-to-10, sometimes it's 0-to-10 because we have no risk as we're break even, right? So yeah, it depends on the trade, obviously. If I were to take a buy right here, let's say we were to get a closure like this, and I were to get a buy in, my stop loss, my TP would be up here. I move this. My TP be up here, my stop loss would be the previous kind of low. So the RR would be like around, in this case, a 1-to-2. 1 to 1 and 1.6, right? 1 to 1.6, almost a 2. 1 to 1.5. Oh, depends on the trade. Depends on where clean traffic is in your next destination.
Hey Don, at one point were you ever taking a percentage-based risk?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it has.
Yeah, what did you like the standard 1 to 2%, or was yours a little different?
I had like I think 2 or 3% risk at the time when I was doing that. Yeah. Per
Okay,
trade.
cool.
Guys, by the way, my risk this year has been a lot lower over time because I haven't increased my lot size while my account has been growing. So like, the risk I take now is like probably like less than a percentage. Start of the year is like 2%. I gotta use the washroom real quick, guys. So BRB. Hold down, Andre.
Stefano, what's poppin'?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing, bro?
Great, and you? It was a
Good,
weekend.
Man. Good. You staying out
Awesome.
of GJ for the most part right now? Waiting for buys above 154.97 or what are you
Yeah,
looking for?
I'm looking for it. 30 minutes, 1 hour looks great to take that buy.
Stefano, you don't trade any other pair besides GJ or do you?
No, just GJ. I try gold. It moved like too fast for me, and then GBP USD. Every time I enter, almost all the time I lose. So I just trade GJ right now.
Stick to what you like.
Yeah. I feel safe with GJ, but sometimes it's a little bit rangy this month.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but
It's been
It's
rangy
okay
for
for
like
me.
the past 2 months.
yeah, it's been crazy. Big ranges.
Like
It's
it
okay.
makes you practice discipline.
Yeah. And also I'm looking at gold, but not trading it, but like studying it, the moves, seeing the pair, but not trading. Just watching and learning.
Yeah, 100%.
Well, from you guys.
I had a mindset when I showed up today that this little shitty range right here, I wasn't going to take a trade in. And just from now, I had that support at 1885 and my resistance at 1887. So just waiting, patiently waiting.
Yeah, and I like the clean range you have there. above the resistance.
Yeah, this right here.
Yeah, I really take that into account. Really, I think it's one of the most important things, the clean traffic, to take the trades, because when it's rangy, sometimes it doesn't go well.
Do you guys hear that? The keyboard.
Hey, what's up, Don? How are you?
Oh, what's up? What's up, Stefano? How you doing?
Great, great. How are you, man?
Chilling.
Awesome.
Just chilling. Waiting for this breakout on GG and Gold, obviously, but like GG came up.
Well, it's
Tried to reject. Yo,
it's Monday.
Andre, do you hear this? A keyword?
Very, 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 very barely.
Okay.
Like a 1 out of 10.
How about now?
I can't hear it.
No?
No.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yeah, I can't hear it at all.
Okay. Well, there goes that. I was trying to test out the noise gate of this mic. I still believe in gold here, chat. Might get a potential move on gold still. Again, not forcing any positions though. But we may get a potential push, alright? It's been nice. It's nice outside today, chat. So if you guys haven't had any plans or anything, man, go outside, get some sun after this is stream. Oh wait, no, it's raining here. Damn. It was nice yesterday though. Yesterday was like 32 degrees. Celsius. Hot. It is like 25, but it's raining. You know what that means, guys? It's sunny and rainy. You stay inside, you play Warzone. So might stream or something. Twitch. GJ is forever Bay. Yeah. I remember back then when people used to say Bay. Oh my god, that was cringe. You're my Bay. You're like Bay, come here. Like, yeah. BAE. Damn, that was like so great. That was like grade 8. That was like grade 8 and stuff. Andre, you still stay Bay?
Nah, I'm speaking Spanish normally to Maho for
Espanol.
our little pet names.
Yo, you wanna know what Marco's pet name is?
Yeah, tell me. I feel like you told me before, but I forgot. What is it?
I don't know. I'll you know.
You don't want to expose him right now?
I said it like too many times already. I want to expose him.
Is it your pet name for me?
Yeah. I call you that as well, Marcos.
No, we know what you call me. Don calls me Marco's baby. Every single day.
What?
Yep. Look at his He knows it's true.
Down horrendous.
Down catastrophically. Okay, Andre. Okay.
Andre, I call Andre because the phone goes, controller baby.
It's after you call me daddy, bro. Don't get it twisted.
Yo. Aiden Ross be changing lives for real. Aiden Ross, yo, you guys watch Aiden Ross in the chat?
That's funny.
Yeah, guys. Thank you for your stream, guys. Let me be patient and get some sun too. Yeah, appreciate you being here. Kara? Alright, Kara. Love, live, serve. Nice name. Send me a chart on Discord. I can't view charts on Discord. Unfortunately. I'll try to view a chart here. Let me go and copy this. Then go on this, paste this. You go to copy that link of yours, you paste it here. It does not work. Oh, never mind, it does work. Okay, well, I can't do this anymore though. It's illegal. You have to send it on Discord. GU 30-minute time frame. You sent me a chart of zones. I think these zones make a lot of sense. right? You have support here, support there. You have resistance here. But what about it? Looking for buys, looking for sells. What's your bias? Why is that your bias? What makes it your bias? Why are you entering? When are you gonna enter? Right. So explain to me why you have these levels marked up here and all that good stuff. Gold close bullish.
Right below.
Ooh, 1 hour close there.
4 hour.
Chat. 4 hour close bullish though. It's a good thing. I think 4 hour has a decent push to go up after we clear a bottom wick here, obviously. So again, 30-minute closure or 15-minute closure above this resistance is what you want here. All right. We have never closed above here, but never, I mean, this following previous resistance. So you probably want that to happen. GG on your hand, close bullish as well. Wait, does that look the same on a golden 4 hour? Looks the exact same.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Yeah.
I'll probably stay out of GJ today just because I wanted a 1 hour closure and that's not coming until like 10 now.
I think gold's cleaner though, because gold is going with the trend, whereas you just going opposite against the trend. So I'll probably wait for a 30-minute, 15-minute closure above this range here. Let's see. I might be on for another 15-30. Let's see how things go here, but
Looks like gold's already flipping.
Which time frame do you usually use to wait for calendar closure to take the trade? Because I usually use a 31 hour, but by the time the calendar closes, I find that it's too late for me to enter. It depends on the ranges. Again, I explained it earlier. I'm not sure where. If someone can timestamp it, or if you want to wait till tonight, sure, Hampton's gonna timestamp it. It was earlier in the stream, I think an hour ago or something, where I talked about what time frame to use. Depends, like sometimes it's 50, sometimes 30, sometimes 1 hour. Depends on how we are.
But
looking left. I can't play his music. Why is it playing me round music? Oh no. Someone freestyle. One day we gotta get someone to freestyle. That'd be so cringe, man. Jeez. Down bad. Let's see. You guys see a nice flick I did yesterday on Warzone? Andre, every time you watch me play, bro, I feel like I'm pressured, bro. I can't play while you're watching. It doesn't work.
You're whack when I watch.
Yeah, bro. I just can't. I just can't play. But when you don't watch, I got the craziest clips, the craziest wins.
Would you have that clip earlier in the day or something?
No, it wasn't somewhere. It was like, I think the day before or something, but no, it was yesterday. Sorry, it was after. Yeah, I'll show you.
Yo, Carlos said, please do not have anybody ever freestyle on stream.
Who said that? Carl Daggy?
That would be cringe, though.
That will be so cringe. Yo, in fact, don't you rap? Why don't you freestyle? Let's go. Turn me up.
Nah, it would be fun. It's like, I feel like that's like a touch thing to do.
If we can add on to it, each person adds their own line. It'll be cringe, but in a good way.
What are you talking?
It'll be in a good way, cringe, bro.
Like the alphabet game, bro.
Yeah. But we don't gotta do rap though.
Start us off.
We could do like country or something.
Nah, bro. Nah.
All right, let's go. I'm down. Let's go right now. We're not.
Cap. So much cap. Man, gold's got volume, I think. Oh.
The fact, we gotta start us off, man. Come on.
You gonna make this man freestyle to some country?
Yo,
It's a song. Yeah, focus. Bro, man. It's just like copyrighted. It's not copyrighted. Man, this is what you do when there's no movement on FX. There's no movement. Yeah, guys. Maybe when we hit 10K, that was a little snippet of the juice and sauce we have cooking up for you guys. But at 10K subs, we'll do a freestyle with everyone in here. Okay, you know what's happening? I don't know. Ask DJ what is happening. It's literally not moving. It's in this range. This is a 10-pip range has been stuck in. That's no volume. But not all miners are like this though. I want to show you a clip, Andre. Here you go. Want to see this flick? Oh, it was so nice. Watch this. Ooh. 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 Grace Finds, what's up? Love, live, serve, what's up? Thanks for subbing. Use the A-Train game? Nah, I don't. I do not. I used to though. I don't. You guys see me do it on stream? Maybe one day. When we're like just chatting or something on Twitch, I'll do it. Yo, Marcos, do you follow FaZe?
Yeah.
Do you see Kaylee get signed? You know what that is?
Yeah, thank God, bro.
Really?
100 Thieves fumbled the bag.
She's supposed to be
You don't
100
like her?
Thieves?
She, bro, 100 Thieves or Nate Shot said he was gonna sign her, but he's, you know how like, do you follow her on Twitter? Like she's super like she says like crazy stuff.
I don't follow her on Twitter, but I used to watch her on Twitch.
Yeah, like her whole character, she like just says like the most out of pocket things, and like Nate Shot said that your tweets were wild, so he didn't sign her, and now FaZe signed her, like, and she's like nasty at Warzone.
Bro, I don't know, bro. I used to watch her with Pie Man and stuff. But
bro, she gets like 5-6K concurrent viewers, something like that.
She used to get 1K per stream. I don't know. You think she should be the next Karina Cop?
It's just a different audience. She's like good at Warzone. You know, she's averaging like 20, 30, 35 kills in a Warzone game. Karina's more like, you know, yeah, you know why people follow Karina. No offense to Karina.
Yeah.
Like Kaylee's doesn't do that. Like Kaylee wears like sweaters, but she's just funny and like nasty at Warzone.
Really?
Yeah, it's two different audiences.
Yeah, I've seen her around people, but I never like, I don't know.
No one's going to Facebook Gaming to watch 30 kill Warzone games.
How much do you think Karina got paid to stream on Facebook?
Probably like $1 million a month.
Yeah.
A lot, right?
Yeah,
to go to the most random platform ever.
Yeah.
Facebook Gaming.
But can you stream on YouTube at the same time too?
Nah.
I see Z-Laner does that.
He's probably not partnered with Facebook. Like she's getting paid by Facebook, so like on the side of ad revenue and stuff. You know what I mean?
What's your average viewers? 1 or 2K?
Probably more. I have no idea though. I've never watched anything on Facebook.
Yeah.
Let's see. Facebook.gg. Right, that's what it is.
There's a lot of money to be made streaming, man. Remember back in the days when the only way to make money was like you had to just, I don't know, like be a pro gamer. Be a pro gamer.
Yeah, like now, like you could be. There's so many ways to be full time in streaming.
Content creator, like this whole content creator thing with YouTube, like you don't have to be good at the game no more and just make content.
But you don't even have to be rich. Like you could just like have a good 60-70K a year, even if you're making like 50-60K a year, but you're just sitting at home playing video games. Like, you know what I mean? You can make a respectable living.
You can play video games at this point. You just go and just chatting, hot tub stream. Like look at Rice Gum, bro. Look at Rice Gum.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Pretty cool.
But she has 1 million followers on Facebook. But I don't know what you can't really see the viewer count, I don't think. Oh, 89K views. What's that concurrent? Like 3K?
Yeah.
It's like 3K.
They sign call these like rappers now. Guess this is 2021. It's gonna get crazier. That's the thing. Like it's gonna get to a point where they don't even sign people who are talented at the game. Just for the vibes. Vibe check. Yeah.
Entertainment's everything. Like back in the day, like big companies weren't paying influencers, but now they're paying influencers bags, and like it's still not as big as it will be. You don't see like Coke sponsoring influencers, right? You see Coke making commercials. It's like once like the big companies start doing influencer marketing, it's going to be like a whole different ball game.
I've seen Bud Light do stuff.
Yeah, they're starting to get into it.
Bud Light, they have like sponsors for tournaments and stuff.
Yeah, you just see like there's like no commercial. Like people just don't watch TV. Like once the latest generation phases out of like media, and just no one's going to be watching cable TV.
I've had cable for 10 years. Everything's online, you know, like
exactly.
I mean, it might be illegal, but that Mayweather fight yesterday wasn't it wasn't paid for. It was a free stream I found somewhere, right? It was in a Discord group, so everything's online. FBI's watching.
For legal purposes, you 100% paid for it, but other people definitely illegal streamed it. Got you.
Andre, you got cable at home or you watch TV? You don't watch TV, right? You got time for that.
Nah, bro. I haven't had cable since I moved out of my parents like over a decade ago.
My parents got a movie box with like a bunch of shows and stuff.
What's a movie box? Like a Fire Stick type thing, or?
Yeah. There's a bunch of shows, a bunch of like movies on there, like, you know, pretty cool. They have the Viet version though, because you only watch Viet shows. Yo, have you guys ever watched Asian dramas? Those are the most dramatic like things you ever watch in your life, bro. It's so dramatic, man. Asian drama like shows, yeah.
Like a novella?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
bro.
Gold's
Gold's
finally
pushing
making
above
a move.
here. Yep. That 4 Korea bond wick flipping up bullish. I'm waiting for a closure. Maybe in 2 minutes here. Might get a potential move, chat.
3 minutes here. 2 minutes, yeah.
I get a move here. Looking to execute.
Just for previous 4-hour highs.
But like Post Malone.
Really nice RR. It's kind of like 25 pip stops. You need a little retracement here.
Uh-oh, chat. You guys thought it was a day. But then Gold said, now we're going the other way.
That was a good timing.
I should have a meme pop up on the screen every time I click it. A meme for that, the video. Is there a video for that? Oh, wow. 4 broke the highs. Oh my god, ciao bella.
Ciao bella.
Oof. It's not even NYC yet. We have NYC in 15 minutes here. Oh wow, there's a move jab.
Ciao bella.
You guys see my face?
So much for that 4-hour support. I blew through that.
No flinch, Kobe. Didn't get FOMO, nothing. Saw this move. What's my entry? Not gonna take it. If you look at the move, if this were to be your impulse entry move, how many times would you have entered that today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. There's no point, you know. This is
true.
7 times would have entered the impulse entry. Yeah, go explode it though. Might get retracement in Wickfell, but I doubt it. GJ's still not moving.
I think GJ's chalked for the day.
Might get some volume on gold here. Let's see. Next ranges are what? Above the 4 resistance right there. I think the only way you would have entered here was the 4-hour time frame probably, as it closed bullish above that resistance. Also been 40 pips for a TP of 40 pips 1-to-1, but way too big.
We have 1892 isn't terrible. It's you'd be breaking the the daily would be flipping bullish and breaking its own highs.
Wait, did we clear a top wick and then flip back bearish? Then we rebroke the highs? Like how did this 4-hour candle work? I forgot.
Yeah, it opened up top wick, then was bearish for a little, and then rebroke the highs.
Rebroke the highs? Okay, cool. Yeah, you have this range to go up now, but your stops are massive, right? For this little range right here, a 15 pip range going up. I want to see maybe if we're able to break above 1892 here for next buys, or we might just retrace on the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame and give us an onion going up.
Yeah.
Something like this potentially, which is also a 30-minute wick fill. You come down like this, and at some point, will you close bullish at support like this, and then you continue back up to retest the highs. I'll take buys right there. Probably a late move though. This were to happen, but definitely we'll watch the
It's probably
charts.
gonna be a minute.
Yeah, because a lot of candles. Might just take 2 30-minute, 15-minute candles. Who knows? Remember how the viewer count spiked as gold pushed up? What's Don's reaction to this?
Yo.
Did Don take a trade here? What do you think about the next range? Andre, what do you think about the next range above 1893?
I have my range from right there in the 30. Here, I'm just gonna draw it, make it a little bit easier. All right, so I have here to here. If we closed above here on the 30 to fill this current range, obviously stops are gonna be too big. This will be my next range up here from 1889 to 1892.
Yeah, 1 pit range. Yeah. It's me rejecting that resistance. Is there like a minor support here? I believe if it's just rejected, it might be a minor support right there off of these levels right here. This right here and this right there off that. Yeah, reject. That was a minor support. May flip bullish, continue up here. Where there's no entries though, right? Not where you enter anywhere. Hey Don, I just sent a chart on Discord. Do you mind giving me some feedback? Thanks, brother. Gotcha. For sure. Ooh, that's a nice thumbnail, Tyler. I like that one. Okay, not bad. Nice thumbnail. Yeah, I'll hit you up after about it. But yeah, I like it so far. It's pretty clean. Maybe make the green a different color, like a little darker or something. But that's pretty clean. Okay, you got me a chart. Josh got a chart here. I missed on this, my fault. What do you have here? Looking for buys above with the closure and break. Oh yeah, same thing I was looking for. I don't think there's a closure here for us, right? I'll enter if we see another closure. I'll enter if we close above and break the 4-hour highs. Reasons to not enter: I won't enter if we see a candle with no top wick or bottom wick, or if stops are too big for the RR. Perfect. Imagine trade I will be closing 3% at 10 pips and allowing the rest to run, break even, or take profit. Clean. I love this chart. Amazing breakdown, amazing levels, amazing explanation. Carl, here, you want to come out here? Gotcha. I was looking to take buys on GU after price closed above on a 1-hour time frame and on the flip of the new candle. 2 closure, stay out of buys. What time frame is that? 4-hour time frame. And price closed below that range and failed to close above after testing those highs. Oh, nice. Chose to stay out the range. 3, the reason behind this chart is to show you may have a clean move that you see but don't get FOMO. Look at all the time frames and analyze your idea before taking a trade. At the end of the day, if price flies through my level, I'm okay with it. I was able to see my move, but at the same time, I respected my trading plan. Keyword: respected my trading plan, or key sentence right there. That's very important. That's more important than making money in a day or making pips in a day. Just follow your plan. Good chart. It would have been a risk-free trade, but I had to stay out. I think these are great ideas here. But yeah, I like how you chose stay out with the 4RB resistance being right there and the previous 4 account closing right at resistance. Good idea on that. Yep. The gold come down, perfect. So gold might give us an onion play that we talked about earlier. That bearish coming down support and then retest the highs. Let's see how we react here though. We can close bearish here. Next one will come down to fill that wick. Might get it. Oh, my bad, chat.
Ouch.
I was clicking on thumbnail. Also try adding high to my face. I'm tired of W mod, bro. I put so much work and effort into like the clips and stuff for you guys. W. Thumbnails too. Don't get better, you know. How can I draw accounts like that, Don? Is that on Zoom software? Yeah, it's on Zoom. Zoom annotations. That's where I draw accounts. Yep. You always ask me. But you can't draw and send a chart like that. You have to draw and screenshot it and then send it. For example, yo Tyler, for example, like for the highlights thing, it's like the last thumbnail. It's kind of like that. That's what I mean by highlights. It's like a little white on my face. It'll be a bit popping. Car's good guy, yeah, good guy.
Yo, Don, would you consider a celery on gold?
On what time frame?
Is that enough value for you? 15.
15. How big is the range?
Stop loss.
I mean, it's 8 pips right now, depending where we close here. But depending on how we close, yeah, maybe going up to fill this range here. Yeah, let's see.
It's about 25 pip stop for a 12 pip target.
I'd be kind of afraid of the 30-minute lows though, because it's gonna be a new 30-minute candle and we can just make a bomb wick. Might get stopped in the 15. Let's see. Let's see how we close here. I want a stronger bearish candle. Maybe something like at 1889.164. No trades today, Marcos?
Nothing yet.
Marcos.
I'll give it like till 9:30, 9:45 or 9:45. I'll probably hop off, get some other things done.
So you were in the military for the whole weekend?
Yeah, that sucked.
What'd you do?
Set up satellites out in the 90-degree sun.
Where?
For like 12 hours at our base in Boston. Just pain and suffering.
Was it fun? I didn't mean. Not mean, but like I did like. Obviously, right? Because.
Nah, they're nice. Yeah, it's cap.
Yo, what's your MOS? You setting up satellites?
Yeah, 25 series. Are you an engineer? No, I'm not an engineer. I'm commo.
I know nothing but the military chat, so.
You said 35 series
to 25.
Oh, okay.
What else do you do?
My specific job is IT, so like laptops, computers, routers, switches.
Okay, cool.
You know, hack the system.
Yeah, because I was in intelligence and we had some guys that play with satellites too. So I thought you might have been in
that was my OG MOS, and then I lost my slot at MEPS.
Okay.
Yo,
11
so,
Bravo. Who?
So you know how to make counter UAVs?
Counter UAV? No, only a regular UAV. To get counter UAV, I just unplug it.
Yo, are UAVs real?
Of course they're real.
Oh yeah, it's just like I guess.
Drone.
Yeah, it's
just a drone with a scanner, or a drone with a satellite, a drone with thermal. It's just a
thermal.
You could buy a drone with thermal.
A trophy
thermal
system
optics.
though, is that real?
I have no idea, to be honest. I know
Trophy system.
they have them on a big scale, like anti-air, but I don't know if you can legit throw something on the ground and it will just make a grenade go away.
Yeah.
Nobody listen to Marcos because he has top secret security clearance anyway. He wouldn't tell us anyway.
You're not wrong. GJ dropping.
Oh,
okay.
Nice. Yes, Fakeout back in the range.
It's time.
If we can, yeah. See, I was very skeptical about that 4-hour candle, guys. I was like, it looks a lot cleaner on the 4-hour time frame than GJ, just because GJ's heavy bearish. So if we're able to break 154, it might get a move. But back into this range if we close here in about 3 minutes.
That 30-minute closure actually looks pretty nice.
Yeah. I might look for buys or for sells here coming down. A 1-to-1 RR here on Google on GJ.
Full margin buys.
Margin buys.
I think the RR on GJ is a lot better than gold right now. Looks nice.
Nice, sure.
Can you call an airstrike? Jesus Christ.
You use 30-minute stops on GJ, Don?
Yeah. I'm looking to take a sell position if you close below that support there.
Yeah. What's it, 15 pip stops?
Yeah, if you close here in 2 minutes and a half, though, please don't reject and come back into range. I'm calling it there if that were to happen.
Need a closure below 790 for me.
Impulse or FOMO? Good question, on the fame. Impulse or FOMO? Yo, love, live, nerve, serve. Send me a chart on my Discord. Discord. Now, what do you think when GJ close back in the range? I'm looking to take positions if we close below that support there. All right, chat. Over here, ourselves below there. I want go there. 1530.
Don, do you ever take 2 trades at one time, or do you just try to stick to one if you see one?
It's a very rare case where I would do that. Very rare. I'll say 365 days in a year, probably like 20 times. Or not, no, sorry. Like 5 times.
Okay.
Very
Question for Don.
Yo, what's up?
How do you feel about the 4-hour on GJ?
Yeah, so the 4 is, I wanted to point this out earlier, but I didn't. The 4 closed bullish, obviously, but it closed like below that resistance there, rejecting that level of resistance on a bearish trend. So on a higher time frame, daytime is obviously bearish though. I'm finally taking sells if we were to close below down at the 1530.
Fair enough.
Is it bothering you?
A little bit. I like your logic though.
Obviously, if you don't close below, then this means that could just be a ball. We're gonna 4 count going up. But if it does close below, then I'll anticipate the rest of the range to get filled. 4 will eventually break the lows down here. Gold's pushing up here. Oof. No starter play for us, guys. Babala.
Yeah, this 30-minute is gonna close back in the range on GJ.
I try to chart on Discord. You join our Discord server, and then you just paste the chart here. And these are our charts I have for the stream. Exclamation point charts. I'll show you how.
Yeah, I mean, I see the quote unquote impulse sells that people saw in GJ. My issue with that is there was that support 6 pips below your entry at from 850 to 790 or 800, 5-6 pips, and you're basically hoping and praying that the wick goes 10 pips beyond your entry to get your 10 pips. Because that wick, if you see how GJ closed on the 30-15 minute, it wicked down exactly 10 pips. What if it wicked down 7 pips? Would you still be holding right now?
Wait, wicked down 10 pips? How?
If you the impulse entry at 850.
Oh, from here.
So you got an exact on the dot 10 pips if you didn't have any spread. So you were kind of just hoping that it wicked exactly 10 pips because there's a support right there and everyone could see it. So if you enter with that a support 5 pips away, that's kind of my issue with that. So I know a lot of people got maybe 8 or 9 pips with spread, and if you were waiting for 10, now you're at break even. So it's just a lower probability trade, and that's why we wait for a closure.
Or you just avoid the low probability range and you get the high probability range, right? Low 793 here.
Yep. Because I know that's the chart that guy's trying to send. So I figured you might as well tell him. This guy just said I got stopped at break even. Exactly.
Guys, in Discord, you don't gotta send like this right here. It's only for YouTube. You send the full link on Discord. It'll paste the chart. I got stopped at break even. That's okay. Break even is a win, right? It's a win. Look at yesterday. Logan Paul got break even. That was a win. Logan Paul literally got break even yesterday.
Yeah, his eye did get broken.
His eye got broken? Really? Bro, I feel like Mayweather wasn't even trying. He was just like,
he definitely got a black eye. I don't know. We knew he was never gonna hurt Mayweather, but yeah, he got like a black eye. He got away with less than I thought he would. So,
bro, he looked tired. I was expecting more memes.
Who, Logan? Yeah, he was hugging him from the back. He slapped him in the butt. There was some weird stuff going on. I think he was trolling, to be honest, when he realized he couldn't win. Yeah,
after the first round, like he just exhausted himself like with those punches at the end. I'm like, dude,
damn gold, huh?
Guys, GJ did not close below this range here. There's no sells for us, for me at least, right? I'm waiting for a closure. 30-minute close right above it as well. Look left. The last time we closed above, we respected that support. So, again, you want a closure. Oh, your gold came down. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, right, chat? Now we got to make the onion booty going back up to retest the highs. The onion going up. So wait for a closure at this support, a 30-minute closure, and then we can execution on the buys. Hopefully, we can get a 15-minute closure or 30-minute closure, and then we get the 1 hour closing bullish at the same given time for a wick fill. Am I going too fast? Who did I lose? In the chat.
Yes, sir. Oh.
If you've been here for a while, you know what we're talking about. If you're new here, I understand why you might be lost. A bit lost, which is fine. You get used to it. Damn, go just flip good thing moves out to break even. Yes, sir. I probably would have took profit if I would get in on that like impulse or something, just because like we tapped that amount of resistance looking left right here. We would have been very cautious about that level right there. Maybe a 1 hour start play or a 30-minute start play. Might be at 10 a.m. stream, Andre. You're fine with that, right? You had your breakfast? You goody?
Yeah, I got my first client at noon, so I gotta leave here at 11:30.
Yo, I was gonna ask, what's your eating schedule like in the day? So, yeah, you eat in the morning at 8, but what happens after?
So my first little oatmeal joint is at like 8:30, depending on what the market looks like, and then I'll try and eat again at 11:30. I'll have like a big meal that, I mean, at least big for me, and then I'll have probably like another 2 hours, train some clients, have like a kind of a lighter meal, work out and out, something like 2 or 3 eggs with some white jasmine rice, something like that. And then just so I can digest like within an hour, normally work out after my 3rd meal, protein shake after my workout, and then dinner with the wife. So 5 total meals, I guess, if you can.
You count a protein shake as one meal, right?
Yeah, just because I mean, it's got 60 grams of protein and quite a bit of carbs.
Oh,
and
you have 60 grams. Damn.
So if I had 60 grams of protein in a meal like that I was eating, I mean, that's a lot. So some people don't count their protein shakes as meals, or like, I feel like they don't have the caloric value. They don't consider the caloric value that your protein shake holds, but I do at least. I think it's important too.
I usually drink like one 35 grams of protein in my little
whey shake.
Yeah, whey shake comes with a little thing. I just take 1 scoop.
That's not bad. Sometimes I feel like it takes a little bit for your stomach to get used to digesting like protein. Like when I first started a decade ago, I was only doing like 20 grams. I've like slowly built up my protein tolerance to be able to, I feel like, ingest more. My body can handle it now when it couldn't maybe in the past.
So, be honest, guys. Who here in the chat just took an impulse entry?
What,
on the flip of this candle here. Who here just took that entry? Be honest, chat.
Stops.
And be honest, where are your stops in the middle of this wick here? Be honest. I can sense it. I can sense it. And your TP is up here probably. You almost got break even there. Alright, yeah, I don't know.
Pain. Spain without the S.
Largely,
yo, so
what's up?
Andre, you pay a lot of attention to nutrition, right? So do you try to avoid foods that are like typical testosterone killers, or do you not? Is that like a myth or something?
I feel like I would only really be precautionary about testosterone killer foods if I was getting my test measured on a regular basis or somewhat regular. Like, I feel like if you have this theory that you have low test, unless you're getting blood work done to know your test levels,
right, then you don't really know.
Yeah. So I think if you get like I've gotten my test measured before a couple times, not because I thought I had low test, just because I was curious. And I had a couple friends that were on test, right? They were taking anabolics. So I was just curious to like know where I was at.
Yeah.
But unless you're like predisposed to have low testosterone, those foods that quote unquote kill your testosterone, it's not, in my opinion, the case. It's like the same thing with cholesterol. Like, a lot of people like don't eat a lot of eggs because it will raise your bad cholesterol. But unless you have a predisposed condition with cholesterol, eggs aren't going to do that to you. You can eat as many eggs as you want and it's not going to affect your cholesterol that much. If you have a predisposed condition with bad cholesterol, then yes, you shouldn't eat a lot of eggs.
Right. Like family history and stuff.
Exactly. Yeah.
Good insight, guys. I got lost in the sauce, but hey, good insights. You use whey protein for oatmeal?
Looks good.
Yeah, it does look good.
30-minute respected those highs. Might be a 10 a.m. move.
I'm here for a bit.
I'll be off the stream, but I'll still take that trade if it happens.
Let's see how this 15 closes here. Look, we see those impulse entries. Right now, you'd be kind of scared right now. I mean, if you didn't move stocks to break, if you didn't manage risk, you would now be in kind of a drawdown, and your stop loss would have probably been like a middle of a candle, right? And at any given point, we can come down to the middle of a candle, and not break any lows. Hence why I stayed out. The stops did not make sense for me here. If I were to get impulse entry, minimum stops for me would probably be current count lows. It makes logical sense, right? But again, I think we avoid a lot of positions today where we would have got like, look at this. We would have got like, you know, really on. You know, we got on like crazy.
Okay, GJ. Do the thing. Do the thing.
I
Who gave
love
this guy a
these
stream
sounds.
deck, man? That thing needs to be confiscated.
That's funny.
That's funny. Oh man, 6 months ago I traded 10-15 per day. I was lost in over trading, but right now I learned I only focus the best sell to trade. Clap it up for Abo, bro. W. 5 eggs every morning. Damn. I got 3, bro.
Someone said he knows that Wix9 has some stinky farts.
Yeah, Wix9 go crazy, man.
He said 5 eggs a morning, bro. Oh my goodness. Straight up
Yo,
gas chamber.
This guy eats peanuts at night, eggs in the morning. Chestnuts in the evening. You ever had roasted chestnuts?
Hell yeah.
Oh, that shit. That thing makes you like live, man. Like it makes you fly. Like, every minute. Chestnut. Oh man, I can't wait for Christmas, guys. Oh man. Look at GJ struggling to break below that support there. Waiting for a closure. Rejecting 154, 792. Once again.
I was just gonna say that's a good call on your part on the 154 792. I didn't really see it like that until you pointed it out. Like I honestly, I was looking to take entries on this 30-minute candle on the flip, wait for the top wick, and then enter on the flip here. Just because the wick fill on that was like, I don't know, 6-7 pips. It would be a good place to move stops to break even or to the current candle high. But like, look where we rejected. It was right there at that 154.79 level.
Yeah, it was because of this right here. Those incoming 154.792. $20, no fucking way. Laughing, that's insane. Carlo Daggy, what's up, man? I was eating 20 to 25 eggs a day when I was going to the gym and I was focused too much on building muscles. 20 eggs per day?
Who just said that? Who said that? I don't see that.
A little sick.
Yeah. Sick.
Go on live chat. You're probably on top chat. That's why.
No, I'm on live chat. Just my shit's a little further away.
Oh.
A little sick. You are capping right now, bro.
No way.
20
bro.
eggs a day, bro. Can't you like, you know, isn't that dangerous?
Yeah, 20 eggs. That's cap.
20 eggs a day, bro. Dangerous, no? Bro, that's
Yeah, anything in excess is dangerous.
That's a whole carton.
I farted just thinking about that. That's what I said.
Man, 20 eggs per day, bro.
When I was younger, I used to put like a raw egg in my protein shake, thinking that it was like gonna do something magical for me. The raw egg didn't do anything. Just makes your breath smell like booty.
Yeah, you swallow it, right? Crack an egg and swallow it.
Nah, not like that. Like you put it in your shake and shake it up so it like dissolves in your whole shake.
All right, I'm gonna hop off here, boys. Some exclamation points, son.
Yes, sir.
For sure. All right, catch you later.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
Yo, Mars,
Goodbye,
Mars,
bro.
are we working hard today, bro?
Yes, I got a lot of things on the to-do list. I'll share my Google Calendar accountability check.
Corporate call later. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Catch you later.
Peace.
Love, ciao, Bella. I was eating eggs whites, a little bit of yolks. You know how I know you're lying, a little sick? You can't even spell yolk right. That's how I know you're lying. The Rock has 10 eggs for breakfast. Yeah, The Rock. About 20 eggs, dude. That's crazy.
Yeah, The Rock is also like 280 pounds and is like 6'2". He's like and he's on a bunch of anabolic steroids. I mean, there's a big difference. Don't compare yourself to The Rock.
Exactly. You're pairing your level 1 to level 10. I mean, who knows? Lil Sick might be like The Rock. 20 eggs, bro. That's crazy. Alright, take 20 trades.
Wait, The Rock is on steroids?
I don't know. That's what Andrew said.
Damn. I thought he was natty.
No way he's natty. There's no shot The Rock is natty. Nah, there's no way.
I don't think so.
I don't think The Rock's natural, bro. Yeah, that's a little crazy. Yeah. Like, he doesn't look like crazy, but he's definitely not natural, bro. And The Rock is not gonna beat Jordan 1-on-1. Rock on steroids. Chat, what are we doing here, man? Might call it a day, man. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? I think gold here, the only thing I can look for is next 15 to come down, create that support for us, close bullish, maybe continue up, or maybe 2. You might get a closure like this above this range here. And then we may continue up towards the next level of resistance up here. Right? That's like the only thing I probably have here as you close above this resistance here to continue up. Towards looking left like this range here. Or 2, we come down, create support here, go back up, which would be a bigger range. GG on our hand is still struggling in this area here. Didn't really break support. Still staying above 154.792. There's no sells yet. Again. We have some fire content coming later. If you weren't able to watch the entire stream, if I have more information. Yes, sir, Tyler. Text me the what it is that we're looking for. W. I like the thumbnails. Keep. Yo, Tyler, can you maybe make me a little bigger? Like, you see how this, I'll talk to you later about it after the stream. I'll tell you later about it. Yeah, it's pretty good so far. I like the whole like colors and stuff. All right, chat, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Gold here, I'm probably gonna get a late move on gold like 10:30ish or something, so probably during a workout I'll probably take a position. GG on your hand is still respecting that support on this range here, so nothing much for me today. But again, I appreciate you for being on today with us. You know, if you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like, subscribe. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. Thanks mods, thanks moderators for all the moderation in the chat. Exclamation point son. Such as also join the Discord, guys, if you haven't done so yet. Link in the description down below. I'm gonna call it a day here. Bella, peace and love. Great session, great stream, great vibes, great value. Dubs in the chat. Peace.
Bye, Don.
Later.
Bye, guys.
Take it easy. it, but you live to trade another day. You live to trade another day.